should be live. Can you all see me? Can you all hear me? Hello, welcome to the Deadeye channel, where today we enter into this roguelike deck builder IT startup tech fodder. All right, so it's kind of an interesting one. I want to do my best to explain all of the rules of the way that it works. There's a little bit of strategy involved, but the main thing with this that I really enjoy is the art here. Look, kind of the humor of it, right? So you have a dev who makes a game about, I guess, controlling or organizing, working with a dev company, trying to win over other companies, and using burnout and other strategies to take advantage of your workers to get that done. Something kind of funny about that. You can see the way the boss here looks, for example. Not exactly flattering. All right, pick a starter module. So just run through a bunch of humor, a bunch of solid humor there, but let's look at this. Choose your OP starter module. This, you think of this as like a relic or an artifact, right? A constant advantage. At the start of each project battle, gain 3 additional resources, or gain 3 resources each time you fire an employee. I like firing employees, okay, I gotta be honest, but I think I will go with the 3 additional resources here because the early advantage seems like it could be really good. We'll see why in a little bit here. Card upgrade. And we start with our deck. There's a bunch of different characters to play as to have different decks, but this is the one I went with. A bunch of copy-paste developers. What I really like about these guys is that you can hire them for so cheap. Add 1 burnout to adjacent employees, optional crunch 2. You could also upgrade... Project manager upgrades are interesting. Every time your devs gain burnout, so pushing to gain a ton of burnout. Welcome dev, we do have the dev in the chat as well. Alright, project manager, we can get them down to 1 cost, earn 1 point each time your devs gain burnout. I might go for this one. Grab that. And then project battle 16. Okay, let's do this. So only need 16 points to win in these early ones. This goes up consistently. We'll see how that works. Opponent level info. I'll click on it. Okay, levels and current turn number determine how many resources the AI opponents will use. It's a range with a splash of RNG. Okay. Higher levels opponents tend to have more resources than you. Bounce advantage by having 1 more turn. Or your advantage having 1 more turn to reach the current project goal. Okay. Don't worry too much about that, all right? We're going to go with... oh, and one more thing that I think is really interesting before we get too much into it is that you have this pay-to-win option, which, you know, looking at it, you're like, oh, what does that mean? Clicky here. You have a currency throughout the game you can use on shops and so on to buy new cards. You know, your typical deck builder game, but you can also use these resources while in play to have advantages. Of course, the disadvantage being you can't spend that money where you might prefer to between battles. Okay. Add 2 burnout to your developer. Okay, add 1 burnout to adjacent employees. So the goal here, we have resources in the bottom left. I can use these, spend them to play cards, right? Makes sense. And then project points is the goal. That's what you're trying to get as much of as possible. These guys, you see 2 developer or 2 efficiency here, means I get 2 project points at the end of each turn. So I want to get as many of these kinds of guys as possible. I may just take like this, and then if I go right in the middle here, they're both going to get burnout, but I think that's okay. We'll throw that down, and now that's 6 total right here. Gonna lurk and watch Arcane later. Gotcha. Welcome, Vetris. Okay, and then we have 1 more project point because we start with 3. Normally you'd only have 1 point at the beginning, but I've got a lot at the start here. 1 burnout to adjacent employees. I'm gonna put you here. We'll just get a ton of early because we've only got 16 that we need. End turn. Project points just tokens or story points. Project points are a way to win the battle. So your goal is to get 16 in this case. It gets higher and higher as you go along. Okay. 2 burnout to your developer. So as we go along, we want to build and build and build in such a way where we have a ton of points coming in each turn. 2 burnout to your developer. Optional crunch. Gives you X project points when played, but the burnout gain additional... Okay, so we're gonna play this dev. This costs 2 resources. I only have 2 resources this time because our advantage is only for the first turn to have 3 additional resources. So play this one. We can crunch to gain a burnout, but also give us a little extra project points there, and then end our turn. And that straight away we get a win here because our opponents at this early stage of the game, they're not going to keep up. Get some gold and cards. Now, there are multiple different types of cards. There are action cards, which can be placed in these two slots above. I will maybe take this one to show that off. There's 1 burnout from the play on the left. There's also, you could say, knowledge cards, or like think of them like items you can add to your characters. Where's burnout from the play on the left? Toss up between these 2. I do really like this idea. Well, the action card's showing that off, but I don't know if that's going to work for my build so well. So maybe I will just... Oh, you can also right-click. You didn't... Oh, you couldn't always right-click. I'm glad they added this. Right-click to see upgrades and exactly what that's going to look like. But I will take debugging, actually. 20th November. Yep, game release. All right. Card. Gain 2 efficiency for each burnout removed from this employee. Okay. That seems kind of wild. So... The idea with this is, you play it on your card. Let's see what an upgrade does for this. Also gives 1 by default. The upgrade's not that good in this case, I don't think. Because, like, if it was a 0 cost instead, it'd be crazy. Oh, also 2 defense. Burnout resistance. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, I think this is probably my strongest option here. And then a module. I really like modules. In a game like this, you know, I'm a sucker for them. To get constant advantages, you could say. See the top card of your deck by hovering over the card buy-sell area. Kind of tempting because you can buy and sell cards. Then I can know exactly what I'd be getting if I did that. If you have at least 4 copies of the same employee card in the deck, prices in the shop are halved. 4 copies of the same employee card. Oh. Okay. I mean, does it count if I upgrade them? That I'm not so sure on. But I have 4 copy-paste developers. So I'm assuming that would work here. We'll take this. We'll take this. I think that should work. I'll see if I upgrade it if that gets worse. But having shop prices sounds really good to me. You crushed them. Nice. We got Clippy there. Leave your desk. So we finished up the tasks in our current to-do list, and now we get the option to destroy cards, visit a shop, or just carry on. We also get how about a trade offer. I don't usually like these because you lose a random option of yours, or a couple options, and gain random other options. It feels like most of the time these aren't going to be as good, but this early in the game could make sense. Project Manager, honestly, project point each time your devs gain burnout. Well, we have now a card that specs into removing burnout, like that's our focus, so we have to gain it to remove it. Maybe Project Manager is okay to keep. I was a little unsure on this one. Based on our current build, but actually this might be okay. Add 2 burnout to your developer. This is also good for me, right? Add 3 burnout to target employee. This is kind of bad because it's hard to get more spaces than 3 burnout, 3 or 4. When attached, remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. Yeah, I feel like we don't want this deal. I could reroll this a couple times. I think, do I get as many as I want though? Not so sure. Generate a knowledge card. After you buy a card, add 1. Like, am I using my only rerolls for these trade offers? Probably. Buy a card, add 1 efficiency to the depth to the right. I don't think we take that deal. Maybe I should have rerolled my options, but yeah, that's okay. Burn cards. Now we can spend money, which will go up each time we use it, to get rid of cards we don't want. Okay, so if we think about what we're trying to do with this build right now, the point or the focus should be to gain burnout and then remove the burnout, or use boot camp here to do that as much as possible. 2 efficiency for each burnout removed is so much efficiency. Okay. But then you have burnout resistance. You can take before they burn out. So that should give me 1 extra spot for them to, like, have as protection, or 1 extra burnout location. So if I put this onto a copy-paste developer, and then I can use debugging to remove the burnout. What does this upgrade do? 2 burnout from an employee? Okay. So who would I not want? Remove 1 burnout from adjacent employees. You're like my least favorite here, but... And it's so cheap. I feel like you gotta spend the cheap removal fees, right? Keep your deck thinner. I don't know if we need nice HR lady. A 2 cost for that sounds a little bit high. Okay. And then we will visit card shop here. No, yeah, visit card shop. See if they have anything here. Upgrade cards. I love upgrading cards. Let's see what we have. Oh, I guess, okay, I spend it. I was thinking maybe I could look. I should have looked at my deck instead, but it's good. We'll upgrade. Bootcamp Potato. We know this one's not our favorite, although the 2 bonus resistance might actually be worth it. The 1 here doesn't matter, but this is pretty huge. Okay, we have that option. A debugging, project manager. Debugging, which removes 2, also tempting. Because this one would go to the person on the right of whoever has potato, I suppose. 2 efficiency, 2 guard. I think we do the potato here, though. I really like this idea. Okay, upgrade that card. Remove all burnout from the leftmost employee. Draw a card for each burnout removed. This one's also really plays into what we have, I think. So maybe take this one. And then anything else. Copy of a target card and play to your hand. Card and play to your hand. Remove 1 burnout if you target an opponent's employee, draw a card. Probably don't want any of these other things, do I? 2 burnout to developer, 1 efficiency after an adjacent employee leaves play. Yeah, I think we're good outside of that. That's a pretty good shop, okay? We did pretty well there, I think. Alright. And then a random meeting. Okay, another meeting. What's this? So I guess, yeah, like a random event. Strange new virus. The manager start the meeting with a shaky voice. A strange virus infected our company network. The hacker claims it could infect our devs. Okay, so is it going to force me to... So either pay some cash or take a card I maybe don't want. Remove all action cards in play, gain 1 project point for each. Yeah, I don't love that. 3 cost. You can see there, 3 cost. I kind of think if you hover over this, it should lock the card in so I can like scroll over it. I don't know why I'd want to, I guess, but... Alright, 3 cost. This one's 2 cost. Remove target action card from play and draw it. This one is 4 cost. Draw a card. If the drawn card is an employee, lose 64 points. An employee. Oh, gosh. Like, even developers, yeah. Okay, gotcha. Let's just pay the ransom. This is not worth it. The meeting's finally over. Here's what you got. Alright. Fair enough. Card upgrade. Second order. This is good. Yeah, another card upgrade is fantastic. What does this upgrade to? 0 cost for the coffee machine. Draw a card for each burnout removed. And I'm pretty sure that action cards, it's not like... They don't exhaust, so I could use this over and over again in theory and draw a bunch of cards. And put a lot of burnout onto the dev with a potato on it. So that feels like a direction that makes a lot of sense, right? Project Battle. That way we never have to spend on drawing cards. Which again, we'll get into, okay? I understand it's a lot to take in at the beginning. Project Battle, opponent level info. I don't really care too much for that. Let's take... So 32 points is what we need for this battle. Okay, so we start with 4 resources, again, because we have Investor's Envelope. Oh, and that's why the upgrade card was so cheap, because I have big family discount. I don't know if I should upgrade the copy-paste developer. Can I get some confirmation on that? If they're an upgraded version of a different card, my guess is they probably are, though. I probably should avoid upgrading. I might take... Okay, copy-paste developer on the left immediately, and then the potato onto you. Ooh. Wait. Huh? Oh, it's a dev. Oh, you're a dev. Oops. You know what? I might fire you. We do have a free fire. I should take advantage of that, actually. I was thinking this would be like a card. Okay, fair enough. That makes sense. A note about this in the module description. Upgraded cards are different cards. Okay, gotcha. Fair enough. So we put potato card down. It's actually its own card. But you can see because it's upgraded, it has 2... Well, I guess I'll give you an example to make it more obvious. If I put the copy-paste developer here, they add 1 burnout to this guy. Copy-paste developer themselves has 3 burnout slots, essentially. If you get full in all of these, then your employee will be removed. I don't know exactly what to call it. They will quit, I suppose. Where with potato here we have 5 because we have the 2 shield on it. So we have a lot of slots, a lot of slots to gain burnout on. Add 1 burnout to your developer, gain 3 project points. Oh, I'd love to use this. We don't have the resources for it. Okay. Do I place... I think we can also hold on to resources between rounds, so we'll end our turn here. We'll gain burnout onto these guys, and then you can see them take their turns. The thing is, I feel like with the enemy taking their turns, it's too hard to grasp or to balance 3 different characters at once. I probably could get it over time, but usually my strategy, being kind of, not being massively experienced in the game, I feel like I want to mostly focus on what I'm doing, and then if things get dangerous, we'll try to figure it out for them too. Action card, so I could play this. So action cards, the way they work is you play them onto the red slots, and then the card on the left for this action card, remove all burnout, but it doesn't happen this turn. Think of it more like I'm playing my card into defense mode or attack mode or whatever, right? I'm playing it, and then next turn, it'll activate. So we place that down, and then it's not blocking burnout. I think shield should be something different. It's not blocking burnout, it increases max burnout. Yeah, that was the first time you see shield, I feel like your instinct is like, okay, does it require me to hit at least 3 burnout at someone to even have 1 go onto it? But once you've used it 1 time, you're like, okay, it makes sense. Okay. Then, when attached, remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. I might just do that because that's going to increase both this one by 2 because I already have the knowledge on them, right? That knowledge card gives them 2 extra project point gain, but then also increase this one by 2 because they gain 2 efficiency after a burnout is removed. The thing is, maybe I shouldn't have done that because Coffee Machine will allow this to, like, the more the Coffee Machine can hit on this guy, the better. But I'm gonna fire. You know what? I'm gonna fire this guy. I'll take some debugging here. I'm gonna get the copy paste developer onto you, and then now that puts the burnout back onto this character. Now when I end turn, I will gain 1 more burnout there. Okay, and then Coffee Machine is gonna go crazy here. I feel like this is immediately a pretty strong direction to go. So Coffee Machine activates, bonk, removing all this burnout, giving you 2 extra efficiency for each burnout removed, and drawing me 1 card per burnout, so 3 8 bonus cards. Just wild. 1 project point each time your dev gains burnout. We got to get this guy on, and now we have kind of a build going, right? So this guy's gains burnout, we gain project point. This guy removes burnout, they gain efficiency, right? Efficiency is a kind of an interesting word for it. Something associated with like project, but yeah, like project efficiency doesn't make a whole lot of sense. If there was some word that sounded more like project point, maybe it would make it easier for me to remember. But add 2 burnout to your developer. So we'll take and put, wait, can I choose the developer? Probably just add it to themselves. No, I can't choose. Good. And then we'll do fire this guy. I like just doing this kind of back to back. Fire and then place. Although, I thought I would get a project point for firing you. Don't I normally get a project point for firing you? So, also get the good company bonus for removing burnout. Right. So the pizza icon here, it allows you to have a refresh of the fire buttons and use it multiple times. You normally use it once per turn. It allows you to activate the first action card, or it allows you to draw an additional, like draw 1 card. But I might hold on to it for now. I don't know if I have much use for it. I suppose I could activate it and then get rid of this guy, actually. Okay, I think I will do that. I like Fire Employee button quite a bit, although I'm not used to Investor Envelope. The other option would be an advantage for firing employees, so I'm not going to use it as much as I would otherwise, maybe, but we get rid of Spaghetti Code Developer. I swear I should get... Oh, wait, no, I don't get resources. Right, because the other option, the other module that gives you resources when you fire people, I don't have that. Dang, true. Okay, gosh dang it. That's okay. We add an additional... yeah, I don't really need those guys that much. I think we clear this one. Good to know early. Firing by default only clear board space. Right. True. Yeah, that module is so broken to give you resources on fire, I feel like. I didn't even think about that. True. So now we have to make sure we can get rid of this. I almost wish I had gotten that card, or that module that allows me to see what the top card is, but this is so much more worth it. Big family discount. We just hold on to all our copy-paste developers, and we get half off on upgrade. Debugging. When attached, remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. Maybe I have to do some of that, huh? Let's see. Crunch, burnout to the developer. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna put you down. Wait, if I have 4 resources, this should work fine. I'll put you down. I'll crunch, so you have 1 burnout. And then you also have a shield, which means that you have 4 slots for burnout. That's good. We do debugging on you, remove 1 of their burnout, and then end turn. Yeah, so I really want to scale this one up as much as I can on burnout. I need cards that add burnout like crazy, and I need cards that take off burnout like crazy. That's my ninja way. My Nindo. Okay. Well, we'll see if we can find stuff like that. Add 2 burnout developer. This sort of thing is really good because 5, just base 5 efficiency is really nice, and then 2 burnout 2 developer is also solid. After you fire a dev with efficiency 1 or less, draw a card. Probably don't need that. Gain 2 resources. Yeah, I feel like actions are better spent on like somehow scaling. This feels like a very flat action, so I don't want that. Probably Spaghetti Code Developer. Then again, we're struggling on resources more than anything. Actually, no, wait. Investor gives me resources, not project points. Now that's tricky. I really am struggling on resources more than anything. Maybe take this, or maybe I reroll. What are we feeling? Action card wise, I have Coffee Machine. Yeah, you know what? I will take Investor. What's an upgrade to this do? 3 resources? For that early game, if I could play this first turn, it's super helpful. Okay, we'll take it. We'll take it, because I really do need resources. It's true that we're not doing too bad, but I need resources to be able to really make things work. Yeah. I think it's a good call for right now, although if there's a better way to get resources, great, but because resources are a challenge, push and send message, bummer. After you buy a card, add 1 efficiency to the dev to the right. Okay, card buying, but that costs resources. Again, we're struggling on resources more than anything. Becomes a copy of target developer. Interesting. Okay, I think this is actually kind of crazy for late game, because if I get like 20 on the left guy and then I copy them, then I just win really quick potentially. Creates 3 investors because there's a card that creates 3 investors rather than not have just a single one. No, I don't think so. I think that creating more units to have to use is not good because I only have so many slots to place them. So there are like, I think actually when I played the demo, I think that it went really well to have a ton of different cards. But in this case, I'm limited on resources. It feels like there's more of a balance there, where like a 0 cost might be good, or like anyway, you get what I'm saying. I feel like having a bunch of extra cards in my deck there is not necessarily an advantage right now. You can discard hand. I can use money to reroll hand, but the odds of getting the same card again could be bad for me. Each card in your hand is also like a resource. They can be sold for 1. Right, I always forget that, honestly. Your card generate mechanic triggers twice on first use each turn. Cards generate mechanic triggers twice on first use each turn. Mechanic triggers. I don't know what this means. Your HR employee placed in the center board position draws you 2 cards instead of 1. Okay, we're not really using HR. I could reroll this maybe. Each time you use good company bonus, gain 16 run money. Oh my goodness. Oh, as an option, right? So, tough. Extra money here is gonna be really good because we have half off on shop. 16 run money. Yeah, discard pretty much. Dang. Your cards generate mechanic triggers. I just don't know what a mechanic trigger is what I'm saying. Some cards have the generate mechanic. It's like discover in games like Hearthstone. Single employee generating a lot. Oh, generate mechanic trigger. Wait. Generate mechanic. Right. The mechanic of generating. Okay, gotcha. Generate mechanic. Triggers twice on first use each turn. Okay. Generate mechanic. Generate mechanic. Interesting. Play generating a lot. Generate mechanic. What do they generate? Let's see. I don't know if I have anybody that generates anything. At least at this point. Gotcha. That makes sense. Timer Difficulty Burnout. No. Crunch, I guess. Right? Maybe? Twice on first use each turn. Okay. Project points. No, they're saying it's a mechanic that a card has, I believe. Like, in the case of Crunch, it might be a mechanic to create resource at the cost of something, I suppose. That's my guess. Copy of target builder. Imagine this one could be doubled. That'd be crazy. It has to state generate. Oh, okay, it even has to say. Okay, gotcha. So I don't have anything like that right now. I think we just reroll here then. Good company coin isn't terrible to get some early cash, but I feel like we're doing okay on cash. And there could be some crazy ones out there. Your opponent gets 1 random burnout at the start of their turn. Opponents get 1 random burnout. Wow. Okay. Of every turn. That seems kind of good for countering enemies without having to work on it so much. Burnout and project points gained by crunching are doubled. Okay. At the start of each turn, gain 1 good company bonus. Ooh. You get these by removing burnout. I'm going to remove a lot of burnout. I don't think we need that. What is crunch? Crunch is an action a character can take. So in junior backend devs case, they can crunch, and that action gives them project points, but also gives them burnout. So this would double both. It would have doubled both, I guess. I think burnout and project points gained by crunching. I think we probably take either good company bonus or we take the virus. The virus is nice because it can like just knock out enemies like crazy. Wait, if you look for a card with the generate keyword, it's easier to understand it. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I haven't had one yet, so I'm not... Or maybe I've seen them, but just hadn't noticed. It's only for that single card. Yeah, but I still think it's probably an advantage to just every single turn give both opponents 1 bonus burnout. because it could end up knocking out a card there that's really important, so their plans could go right out the window. Because a lot of the time in this game, at least from my perspective as a player, and not seeing what they're doing as much potentially, but from the way that I play, a lot of the time you're kind of playing this game of let's get us right to the edge of burning out so that we can maximize the use of this card, and then we'll just keep, and then we won't burn out at the end of the turn, which is good. But if we did burn out, it'd be a huge pain, because then you lose everything you put on that card, including, I believe, knowledge cards. So ordinarily you put on a card and you could boost the character, but if you don't sell them, or like fire them, I guess, if you don't fire that character and instead they lose to burnout, they quit, then you lose those cards, or they go into your discard or something instead of coming back into your deck. The enemy AI is calculated, but you're burning them at random, so their plan will be gone and you win. Yeah, I think so. It could work. Just a small detail, the clock on the wall visible during the to-do list shows your local time. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I'm not worried about it necessarily, but that's good to know. That's pretty cool. I've used a tech lead, add 1 burnout to your developer, gain 3 project points. I want to keep copy-paste developers, which is going to make this deal system almost always bad for me. Knowledge cards go back to your hand when employees burn out. Oh, they do. I could have sworn I lost them in practice, but maybe not. Yeah, maybe I'm misremembering. Add a copy to the target card in. Let's see. Add a copy of a target card in play to your hand, and then REST API. Maybe my hand was full at the time. Let's see. REST API null. Copy of a target card in hand to your play, or in play to your hand. So we're saying I could use this to, I guess, get extra. I don't think we really need this. I don't tend to take these deals. I'm just very suspicious. Play second run. Yeah, possibly. It just depends on how long this one takes, but probably, yeah. Choose card to burn, 64 removal fee. 1 burnout to your developer. I don't know if I don't want any of these, but 64 cost is so cheap. Optional crunch 2. Honestly, I kind of think we don't want this dev that much, because they crunch on themselves, not on other devs. So I want to make sure I'm getting spaghetti code developer, so I'm putting it onto my potato. So I think we get rid of the crunch character here. Let's try that. I feel okay about that. Always want to use that. Always want to use that option because it's so cheap. 64 to sell is good. And then what would we want to upgrade? Coffee machine is already upgraded. Spaghetti code 5 to 6 increase is not worth it for me, I don't think. We already upgraded this. Investor upgrade is probably for the best. Imposter goes down by 1 cost. That's also good. But I think we grab investor upgrade, because that makes it just so much more valuable. And we don't really have that many. There are some really good action cards, so it might end out that I even get rid of it eventually. But for now, that's going to make it actually like useful, I think. Who's in here? Generate? Oh, generate. Here's a generate. Okay, generate allows you to pick a card from random options. A developer card. Okay, interesting. So this would double generate. Yeah. Remove 1 burnout from your developer, then draw a card. If you sell a card that you generated, does it go into your discard and then you can redraw, or does it exhaust basically? Upgrading the card that generates investors generates all investors upgraded. Oh, gotcha. Oh yeah, I think I have seen that one. Okay. Refresh your fire employee button. It gets to discard. Nice. Okay, gotcha. I mean, nice, but then also the downside of that would be if you generate a bunch of cards and then you want to throw them out because you don't actually want them, you just want to sell them for the cash, then you could end up drawing those instead of the cards you do want. That's kind of my problem with generating cards in general, like box of developers or whatever. Draw 3 cards. This is kind of strong. What's the upgrade to this? 1 cost to draw 3 cards. Okay. 1 cost to draw 3 cards. I think we hold on to our cash here. I want to make sure we have enough to upgrade, basically, and the rest of these are just not that useful to me, maybe. All right. Okay. We carry on. All right, finance planning. Let's see how this goes. Plan A. In your next project battle, gain $2 each time you draw a card. In your next project battle, gain 32 each time you fire an employee. Okay, so 16... I need to draw 16 cards for every employee fire. I'll just take the 32. I feel like that's almost always my best case scenario. I don't have draw card options that enhance this. I'd have to draw 16 for every single fire. I could surely fire 1 employee per turn, pretty much. Although we don't have much advantage to firing, but I still feel like it's a good call, and we just really go heavy into it and just make sure we win. It'll be okay. Everything generates on Tendril has exhaust, right? Yeah, I think so, yeah. Often generating cards, they then do exhaust. Unless you do something to make them not exhaust in-game. So that is, yeah, it's a difference for sure. Upgrade a card, so then this time we take Imposter Syndrome Sam, so we can have it be 2 cost. I like the idea. And then we can just duplicate our super card. Project Battle, 48 points. Which is kind of crazy. Like that card's kind of wild. Sometimes you want generated card to stay in your deck cycle. True. But I think often you probably don't because usually the cards that you have cultivated are going to be stronger than the cards that you are generating. So if you have cards that generate a lot, also copy employee. Oh yeah, opponents. Yeah, we might. I think as much as possible, you want your deck to be sort of self-sufficient and consistent in any games like this, in my opinion. And so, okay, we'll do the 3 resources as soon as we can get that. We'll do Project Manager, I suppose. And then, man, I'm gonna, dang, I can't, I don't want to draw here. Because even if I get the card I want, what's 1 cost actually? I will draw here. Ah, dang. Okay, it wasn't what I wanted. Okay, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna do copy paste developer, and then we're gonna fire them. Give me that money. Good. Generate card will always be as good or better than cards in deck, like 3 investors. No, 100% wrong. You don't want, if you could, let's say you could have 20 investors, right? Let's say you could have 20 investors added to your deck. Is that a good call? Okay, true, you can discard, but you have to draw. If you discard, you can discard, it's 1 for discard, and then it's 2 for draw, right? So I don't agree with that. That perspective. It would not be good to have 20 investors. Because if you have 20 investors, you can only play 2 at a time, and the rest you could sell, but you can't draw them for free. So you would just be, well, maybe, you know what, okay, maybe it is. You're saying because you get 3 from them, and so over time, resources carry over. Yeah, I would just worry about getting project points at that point, because you would, almost all your cards would be those. But you're saying, because you get 6 per turn from that, you draw how many per turn? Maybe. I don't know if I agree, but it might be true. I would just worry that the enemy is going to get so strong by the time that you have enough resources, or by the time you draw the cards that you want, I suppose. But it might be the case that 3 is always worth it, right? Activate action cards. Right, true. Oh yeah, there's the whale one, right? Okay. I'll think about it. Maybe, you know what, maybe you're right, Beatrice. It might just always be better to have investment cards no matter what. Okay, I don't know if I should fire you, because you're low. Add 1 burnout to your developer, gain 3 project points. Action card. Man, I didn't draw the card that I wanted, though. 20 is too much. Right. So there's got to be some balance. 1 burnout, 200. Man, we don't have anything to remove this. Besides, I guess, coffee machine, but I'm gonna fire you. I'm gonna fire you, and then I'm gonna play abusive tech lead, maybe, to get a little bit of project point. I didn't get the card that I need. Alright. End turn. I think we'll be okay here, though. We're doing a lot of firing because we want to get a lot of cash for free. It's just too cheap. Too good of a way to get cash, but they are going up 17. We lose if we don't catch up, but we will. Okay, potato on left. Add 2 burnout to developer. We can do, hold on, we have 2 resources. What's my best call here? Add 2, I think we do, yeah. Add 2 burnout, we'll do 3 total burnout on you between these. Oh, and then, oh yeah, and okay, put this one down, and then I'm gonna sell, wait, hold on. You're up to 2, so if I sell and then play, the only problem would be if they can play something that hurts this card, then they kind of, they get me, right? So we sell this one for 1 resource, we put this one down to give you up to 3, and then I will fire, oh, these guys both give me 5. You're gonna pop either way and not give me the 5, right, or no? I don't care, I'm killing you, okay? Give me this money. We're greeting it, we're greeting as much as we can here. Oh, okay. Wait, you stole the burnout? Oh, draw a card if you steal the burnout. Okay, gotcha. That makes sense. They're not stealing it, they're removing it, and then they're drawing a card. And now, now Coffee Machine has removed 4 burnout from this character, giving them 8 bonus efficiency. Then, and also clearing out all their burnout. Investor again. Always for the best. When attached, remove one burnout from the left. Become a copy. Do we do this now? How soon can we win if we go that route? And also, I'm gonna fire you, right? Okay, let's go with... Hold on, we have 3 resources? Or 4 resources? Yeah, we'll do this. Then we'll do this. And then we'll sell. And then we'll place. 11? Yes. Oh, nice. Okay. I love to see a mechanic on a card or something that lets you exhaust, destroy a card, just so it has positive return, and then thin your deck during a run. Yeah, permanent removal card would be such a risky... There probably are ones like that. Or I've seen at least cards that felt really risky in the game, so like I could see that being one anyway. Spaghetti Code Developer, okay. We're just firing, because we got to get a whole lot of money here. Well, we can. We need 48. Excuse me. We need 48 project points. We're going to win no matter what here. So the goal is just to... The goal is to get as much money right now as possible. I'm going to do fire you up to... Can we get one more fire going? We certainly can with this. Refresh fire button. Can we get 2 more fires going, though? That's the question. I need to remove 2 burnout. So if I want to do that, we're going to have to draw a remove burnout card. I think we go all in on that, right? Yeah. I can't... Oh, I can play it, but I can't activate it. Plus, I can't even put an extra burnout on you anyway. Yeah. Well, actually, no. This would remove it. Assuming that... Okay, hold on. We're gonna fire you. Oh, and I can sell too. Wait a second. I can sell. Right. So abusive tech lead. Then and then debugging. Oh yeah, debugging. That could remove 1. What do I want to do here? I don't need this one for sure. I can then play copy paste developer here, which gives you 2 burnout. 1 burnout to developer, gain 3 resource. Oh, project points? I don't want that. Ah, okay. Yeah, I need a way to play Coffee Machine, I guess. At mid-turn, potentially. I'll just put it there. I'm not going to be able to get another fire. That's okay. We got 480 cash there. Ah, good. 71 project points. Amazing. Yeah, we are stomping right now. This is going really well. Let's see. How much you draw a turn? You're lacking draw. How much you draw a turn? You can spend to draw. So if I can just get enough resources coming in fast enough, then I don't have to worry about not having great draw, potentially. But you could have got another fire. Dang. Firing, playing cards. Could have got another fire. Yeah, 2 more removal. What would I need to remove 2 more? Wait, if I fire an employee who has burnout on them, does that count as removal of burnout? I don't know. Is that the case? You draw 1 card, extra draw costs 2 resources. Yeah. Oh, 1 card a turn, no matter what. Gotcha. Good employers go. Gain 1 efficiency after an adjacent employee gains burnout. That's kind of interesting, because I could put you right next to my potato. Maybe, but I kind of like I like using my my copy paste developers to stack burnout on them and then remove it. That feels like much more convenient than this. Turn your I could put it on the I love that guy. Yeah, gotcha. Yeah, it does feel really strong potentially, but turn your newest module gets replaced with a random useful OP module. OP module. Interesting. Random module pool. Gain 3 resources each time you fire an employee. May activate X+1 action cards and play per turn. If activated, opponent action card, draw it. Oh. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy, huh? Selling cards gains you 1 more resource, but sold cards get removed. Oh. I don't like that at all. Whoa. That's kind of wild. Okay, interesting. Maybe layoff. After you fire this employee, draw a card. It's a 1 resource cost to give me more card draw instead of spending 2. It really is just a card draw, right? Actually, yeah, piggy bank would be exactly what Vetros was kind of asking about earlier. Would be some way to remove cards permanently. Massive card generation. Yeah, I kind of feel like. Oh yeah, true. If I had, yeah, all right, that makes sense. If after you fire this, yeah, HR effects be increased. HR effects at the end of the turn. This HR employee draws you a card. This employee draw a card. I'm not so sure on that. I almost feel like I want to reroll this. Like, I don't love any of these. I feel like this is okay. But if it was... Wait, is 0 cost? No. 2 cards. That's not bad. Upgraded to get 2 card draw. Okay. I'll take it. Kind of iffy on it. Yeah. That's a lot stronger. 2 cards for 1 cost. Absorb all burnout from target employee or activate target action card. Need to draw more, just fire him right. Absorb all burnout from target employee or activate action card. Oh. Wait, absorb. Does all the burnout goes on to you, correct? Does that count as it being removed from the potato? Yeah. +4 knowledge, just as a card to pop on there. Unfortunately, +5 and goes down to 3. I think that's just a kind of heavy cost. Gain 3 burnout after he gets played. Oh. Absorb equals remove burnout, then add the same amount to HR up. Okay. I don't think I hate this, because it's just another way for me to remove a bunch from that one character and scale them up faster for 2 resource costs. I think we'll take it. Maybe a mistake, but... Stakeholder stake. After you use the redraw your hand, pay to win option, gain 1 resource. I generally like to hold on to my cash outside of that. I feel like I'm only using that if I'm in a tight spot, which I don't want to bank on, if that makes sense. Your employees can only be affected by 1 monster bug per turn. Could be really good. Because I believe this adds 1 burnout, right? Or maybe 2 burnout per monster bug. If your project points are negative, each opponent loses 8 project points at the start of the turn. Project points are negative. Each opponent loses 8 project points. I don't think we want that. So either bug shield or we reroll. How much burnout cap he has? It removes all burnout and adds. So I believe it can get 1 shield if upgraded. So it could be 4 burnout cap. I think cards should show how much burn cap they have. It should be the case that that's how that works, though. We'll take bug shield, I think, just to make sure no buggy guys get on us about it. It shows when you hover over the card in Project Battle when it's play. I think it probably should show at the bottom. It makes it easy for new players probably to sort out, but my understanding is that each shield gives you 1 additional and that you start with 3 always, probably. I don't want in battle. I want to see the cap outside of battle, yeah, before you pick it, right? Like, it's fine. I agree with that. I think if you play, this is one of those games where the more that you play it, the more you're like, oh, this is just true, right? It just makes sense. Like, of course, that's how it works. I've played it a bunch, so I know that's how that works. Or even if you played it a few times. But when you're first playing, if you feel like it's like, well, I couldn't have known that at the time, then you get frustrated and so on. So I think it's probably a good point to have as many options, like make sure that it's always as obvious as possible from first look, so that everyone's on the same page. I do want to keep this. After you fire this employee, draw a card. I'm probably not going to take any of these. The odds are low. Well, yeah, it's interesting we get free rerolls, though, each time. Second coffee machine. And then you're a card draw. And burnout. Second coffee machine is kind of strong. So card, burn cap. Oh, for Vetros there, though, it's not every card burn cap. I believe every card has 3 default and then 1 additional. Yeah, this is pretty strong. But I'm not willing to remove this because for having 4 of these is giving me 1 upgrade every time for so cheap, and then like 1 additional, and then obviously this is too strong. It is a good roll, but I think we can't take it. You can remember each existing card you could get. Their burn cap is too much. 3 default plus 1. Yeah, so it's always 3 Vetros. That's what makes it workable. I do still think probably showing the 3, there's no reason not to, right? For new players, so that, like, because early on, like, you're like, oh, is it 3? Is it 4? I've seen one with 4. You maybe don't understand the shield yet fully, and so on. It's still a good point, but it's not as bad as, like, if it was inconsistent. Obviously, that would be really extreme. It's not too bad. Upgrade card, we do upgrade HR Ops, probably. Is there someone else who's better to upgrade here? Oh, layoff, draw 2 cards, makes you way stronger. Oh, that makes you so strong. Honestly, I don't mind you just self-destructing. I'm okay with that totally. I think I do layoff volunteer here, and just let that guy self-destruct when I want them to, and then we have free removals. Add 1 burnout to all employees. Okay, so monster bug is 1 burnout. It can be 2 if upgraded though. Okay, all opponent employees. That's crazy. This one's crazy. I'm so glad I have I think the bug shield here is probably really useful. Sprint planning, draw 3 cards. I think we're probably good between Coffee Machine and Investor. Although, if I could activate the card, that would be so good. Generate random, okay. Any option to activate cards, drop 3 employee cards, 3 random recruited cards. I'll keep in mind that maybe Investor still. Meme stock Investor, remove 1 burnout from your leftmost employee, gain 2 resources. I think we'll keep with the coffee. The coffee's the strong one. And then we carry on. Do I burn any cards? Anything that I just don't want? We're a little bit stacked right now. What's my worst card? 1 burnout to your developer, gain 3. Is worse than 2 burnout to your developer. I don't need the 3 project points because I want to scale up. That's the point. And your 5 cost is too much to be good. Cool. Okay. That'll work. Understand, but I wish it was different name and image because shield. Bug shield. I mean, it makes sense, right? But you're saying it should be because shield normally blocks something. Oh, you're saying the shield on the card. Yeah, I agree that my first instinct was like, okay, is this going to reduce each? But it would be crazy if it did, right? If you had 1 shield and reduced by 1. Ooh, tech quiz. Which file format is used for web images with support for animation? It's GIF, right? JPEG and PNG are not it, of course. I don't know about BMP, but GIF. Bink. Nice. I feel like that was an easy one a little bit compared to some of them that it can be, where I'm just like, I am not. But it's meant to be geared around developers more, so it makes sense. Say it's easier to notice that a card is shielded, but is less intuitive than showing the health, but then the card has more information on it. Yeah. Ooh, upgrade card? Hold on. So I don't want to upgrade these. These are going to always be 1 cost. I can live with that. Unless I can upgrade them all at once, which would be amazing. But, because it turns them to 0 cost. It's crazy. It'd be so good if I could just upgrade all these cards, but that's okay. That's okay. Yeah, okay, HR guy. I like this because now it's 1 cost. That's pretty solid. And then I can also activate action card. This guy's kind of universally awesome. We upgrade you. You just carry more burnout. Yeah. We'll take project battle. Okay, mushroom. Okay, mushroom man. Let's see. Project point goal 64 this time. Gotcha. So now we don't have advantage on fire anymore. No reason to fire employees. We really didn't have any reason to fire employees before. It was just the money, not for actual utility. Earn you project points each time you develop a game. Dev gain burnout. Is this what I want? Earning project points for burnout. Yeah, probably straight away would be great to have. If you fire this employee, draw 2 cards. Okay. We'll fire you. We'll throw this. Actually, we do have a reason to fire, I guess, huh? We'll spend the 1 to hire you, and then we'll fire you. Oh, unfortunately, no potato this time. That's okay. We'll do investor. We're not using coffee machine yet. We'll do what here? A copy target available. Oh, dang. Actually, I could have 2 of this guy. Doubles project point gain. It's not as strong generally, though. Well, maybe. I don't hate that idea. Debugging. What if let's just draw. Let's just draw additional card. When attached, removes 1 burnout from the leftmost employee. Debugging. Honestly, debugging is kind of not that useful. I might get rid of debugging at some point because coffee machine is so powerful as an alternative to that. Become a copy of target builder. 2 burnout to your. We need more coffee machines, less debugging, right? 2 burnout. Get your ops. Yeah, we'll just enter in there. Nah. Next, try some burnout or draw resource generation deck. Being able to play many things a turn. Yeah, that would be interesting. Draw resource generation. Yeah. Okay. Action cards. Okay. With fire employee, I could draw cards. I want my potato. I need my potato. Gosh, take it. Where are you? Let's see. There you are. Yes. Okay, potato. Left side. We will do copy-paste developer. Right? Yeah. And then I will sell... I could add 2 to you with this, or add 1 to you. I can't... Yeah, I don't want... Yeah, we want this one, right? So we sell... Sell for now. That's fine. We're not losing them or anything. And then we can do 2 burnout to you. And this will get up to 4. So I do coffee machine now. Good. And that'll give me tons of card draw. Solid turn there. Try to look at the build your own starting deck option. Right. Oh! How could you have done this to me? No! They bugged me. Okay. Gotta be careful on that. Yikes. Okay. That's okay. We can get back to that pretty fast. Developer. But dang, that was rough. Do I have anything that works here for me? Draw card. And end turn. Oof. Oof, that hurts. Okay. We did get 14 project points there, though. We need 64. Gonna have to play a little bit less fine there. It's a little bit too close. So we want to kind of stay low on this character, because they can only play 1 bug, so that could be... Well, they could both play 1 bug, though, right? Or no? Your employees can only be affected by 1 monster bug per turn. Okay, no. So only 1 possible. They could be a 2, so it could give me 2 extra, but it can't give me 3. So we just want to... We'll say... Spaghetti. Onto you. And I might fire this one and put another on there. Or I might... No, yeah. Fire this guy. And then put... If we had 3, though, then... Yeah, no, we gotta leave it where it is. But then they could still kill me here, right? Dang. Tough. 2, become a copy developer. Project manager. Yeah, we'll just take project manager for some free points. Remove this one. Yeah. These bug characters are dangerous. But give me these free project points with project manager for now. They can play 2 bugs, but you can always see them on the board. They are also have red color to spot them easier. But oh, you're saying because they play them here, right? But if I have bug shield, can't it only be affected by 1? Correct? Module shields from more bugs. Yeah. The action card slot. Right. Could remove 4 burnout from potato here. Yeah. True. Remove 4 with HR ops. Yeah, I might do that now. Okay, let's say fire this employee, then we would add 1 burnout to them. Let's see. I think that works fine. Add 1 burnout to them, and then HR ops to remove. And let this guy pop. That's fine. So now you're up to 9. 1 burnout to adjacent employees, and then, yeah. Fire button. Yeah. And then we'll fire you. We'll add 1 to you, right? Okay, there you go. And then we will debug. Remove it. Yeah, that works. Okay. So yeah, just keep an eye on their placed cards for bugs. I think right now you're just playing normally. Right now you're just playing normally? What do you mean? Okay, let's see. Investor, yep, for resources. And then copy. Really want to see you make a deck strategy. Oh, sure. Yeah, make a deck would be interesting. And that gives it 1, that's fine. I think we end turn, we'll just draw a card. Because actually, no, we win there anyway, right? Okay, fair. Give me the cash. The cash is enough because we have 4 people that are matching to just on its own get us a card upgrade, which is so strong. We're kind of running out of cards to upgrade, though. Start of your turn, add 1 sprint planning into your hand, 0 cost. Sprint planning, 3 card draw. That's nice. 0 cost, but it costs 2 to get, and then it increases to -8. Although I can just pop this character, right? No, I have to wait. They have to activate, right? Wait. Start of your turn, which is the start of the following turn. Add sprint planning every time. Interesting. 1 burnout to your target dev or activate action card. 1 burnout to target dev or activate action card. Kind of strong. Really want to see, let's see, is there a thing that makes it matter if you win too hard, like bonus money or something? There are some points that combo with negative project builds. Yeah. That makes sense. 1 burnout to target dev or activate target action card. I kind of think this is the way to go because then we could, like, this is a direction I want to go in anyway. To activate cards. we got? Remove 1 burnout from your leftmost employee, gain 2 resources. No. What's this upgrade to? 2 burnout. Coffee machine is just too strong. Refresh your fire employee button. No. Database developer. No. Reroll. Take over target employee for 1 turn. Can't be fired. Remove 1 burnout if you target an opponent's employee, draw a card. Draw a card. No. HR is no. I think these are all bad. Stock is good. Yeah. Module. Let's see. Increase your maximum hand size to 12. Wasn't 0 cost. Stock is good, but it's not as good as what I have now. You only have 2 slots, so I want to have my 3rd item also be as good as these. Like if I get another copy, like think about it like I have to pay to remove it later, as generally the explanation. So if I could get 2 coffee machines, I will just never want stock, at which point it was a mistake to get stock, right? If I don't get 2 coffee machines, I would still rather have 2 investors and a coffee machine than stock. Both these things are better. Removes burnout and gains resources. True, but coffee machine draws cards you can use for resources as well. Coffee machine is just better, right? That's the issue with, right? Does that make sense? To such an extent that I just don't, I just don't want that. I think each time you use a good company bonus, although if I had enough of them, maybe, but that's the reasoning anyway. Like if I had enough play, better than investor, it might be. Deck has no duplicates. Start each project battle. Better than investor because it gives how many resources? 2 resources? 3 resources? If it's 3 resources, then yeah, for sure. If it's 2 resources, then probably yeah. If your deck has no duplicates, start each project battle with an investor card in your hand. No, I don't need that. Increase your maximum hand size. All these are probably not. Beard of Patience. If you end your turn without playing any employee cards, draw a card. No. Start of each turn, gain 1 good bonus point. That's good. After you take over an employee, I think we just take paid sick leave. I liked that one earlier. Okay. You crush them, nice. And then leave your desk. Stock's not bad, but it is worse than... You must at least admit that it's worse than Coffee Machine, right? Let's remove... But is it better than Investor? 0 cost, 3 resource. Yeah, the removing 2 burnout is nice. If it's 1 resource, it's really bad, comparatively. If it's 2 resources, maybe I should have taken it. After you fire this employee, draw 2 cards. Really bad in turn comparatively, I think. Because 3 resources is just so much. 2 burnout, 2 developer. Yeah, but 2 removal. We have Coffee Machine and HR Ops already. I don't think that there's much chance we're going to be able to use stock in addition to those all in 1 turn. And we're trying to go for like more draw over time. Draw cards. Let's see. It's not worse. 1 is not worse. Only does leftmost. Yes, leftmost is what I want. Yep. And the other one was also leftmost, by the way. Stock was also leftmost. 2 burnout, 2 developer, 1 project point. Okay, I gotta focus. What do I want to remove here? I could remove project manager potentially, but it's nice. It's nice. Project manager's nice. 2 burnout to your dev. I'll look again, but I swear it was 2 burnout to your developer. You're saying it was stock removed from all units? Sort of all burnout from target employee or activate from target dev. Was it really? 2 burnout to your developer. I can't focus when you're nitpicking so much. Okay, I gotta try to choose what I want to get rid of. 1 burnout, 2 target dev. I honestly don't know if I want to remove anything here, but it would be nice to thin it down a little bit. Fire this employee, draw 2 cards. Knowledge potentially here. Stock is better if you need money. Coffee is better than when you need draw, right? Let's see. For removing burnout from everyone, you have to go on a trip. Stock is better if you need money. Coffee's better than... Yeah, but I think draw gives you money too. I totally understand. They don't do the same thing. No, they don't do the same. Coffee is better always. What are you talking? If you have, well, coffee is better for me always. I have 5 potential slots. Let's say I have 4 in use, which I often can get. If I have 4 in use and I draw 4 cards, that's 4 resources that I've just gained, correct? Because I can just sell them if I wanted to. So it's 4 resources with variety. Each card can be sold, so it's like gaining resources, right? So Coffee Machine is just flat better in the situation where I have a leftmost employee that has 5 burnout slots. Copy paste developer, unless I'm mistaken, okay? Like, I could see, though, it could be worse in other situations where I don't have the build that I have. Okay, I gotta get rid of somebody, right? What can I get rid of, though? I'd love to get rid of these guys at this point, almost. Removes 1 burnout. Debugging is just not... I think debugging is not worth it. It's just too much. It's too much... It's too much cost of having it in a slot, probably, out of any of them. But man, they're all pretty good. Drawing cards is not good, for example, when you don't have cards to draw. Yeah, there are situations where it would be bad, but this is not one of them, is kind of what I'm saying. 256, let's upgrade. 3 and 1 cost. I like the 1 cost quite a bit, because we can activate target card. Yeah, we just gotta take that. That's the only card I have left that I actually want upgraded. Gosh dang. Wow, okay. Sprint planning, draw 3 cards. What do you mean? Wait, what do I mean? What I mean is that I can draw 4 cards with Coffee Machine. And I can sell them all for 4 total gain. Always have cards to draw? Oh, no, in that case, oh, no card. Well, you could remove... Oh, what do you mean for them? You could remove enough cards where you only have 10, let's say, and, or like 8 or something, and then you sell all the other cards, or like you already have all the 8, potentially. But we do the same thing in Tendril, right? Like, it's a common thing in these games. I think that's good. Do I want a second one of these guys even, maybe? Add 1 burnout to your target dev or activate a target action card. We have 2 of these guys. We could activate so often. Oh, this is actually interesting. Oh, it's kind of crazy, actually. Trade offer? For... This is such a weird card. Sharing is caring. Add your project... Oh, if you had a huge negative, you could just swap them with it. And then if you were really good at turning negative to positive, then you could repair yourself. After you buy a card, add 1. That's an interesting possibility. Don't like that. Fire a dev with efficiency 1 or less, draw a card. Draw up to 3 employee cards from your discard pile. No, I don't think I want any of these. All right. Have all in hand only if you draw too much. Not necessarily. There's probably a way to build where you have an advantage to having very few cards. All cards are on the board, and you have nothing to draw. True. Yeah. Okay. Deck and player in hand, there's nothing to draw. Let's see. Right. The combination of everything on the board. Remember the funny link you posted in your team's chat room? It turns out it was so funny it was even forwarded to HR. Okay. If you don't draw any HR, draw a card. I do have 2 HR, so the odds are kind of bad. Target your own employee, draw a card. More card draw, guys. 1 burner from your leftmost employee, gain 2 resources. So memes. Wait, this wasn't. No, this isn't the one you're talking about, right? Was this the one you were talking about? You were talking about a different stocks one, right? Not this one. Add 3 burnout to target employee. I feel like all of these are bad for me. I mean, the best one is probably this. Means HR on the board. Oh, on the board. If you don't control... Sorry, I read draw. Just skipped over the word, skimmed over. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Okay. What are the odds of that? But still, it's 3 cost. Consistent card draw. You can target potato with C if you want. 3 burnout to a target employee, and then I could just whip it off of them. That's actually kind of powerful. It's 4 resource cost. 3 burnout. 3 burnout for 4 resources. What does this upgrade to? Oh, I can't right-click this. Oh, it's already upgraded, though. It's fine. Dang. Okay. 3 burnout for 4 cost. 1 shield on it. I think probably the best one here is the meme stock one, though. I think we take that, because 3 for 4 is a little bit expensive, and this one can give me resources and still have a use. And then if I can use the ninja, we have ninja, right? All right, we'll take bug sprint. Bridge. Target, though expensive. Yeah, right. Get as many project points as possible in 6 turns. Watch out for bugs. Okay, sure. What do you got? Watch out for bugs. Project points as possible. Okay, so get 128. Bridge. Let's see. 128 module. Okay. The money is not going to help me very much. The card upgrade would be nice, so I just want to make sure at least get 64. How do I want to go about that? All right, project manager. To your left. Does leftmost mean okay, like let's say I have it in the middle, but I have no one to the left of it. The leftmost should be the middle one. Or does it have to be in the left slot? I'm guessing that should be the case. So we take, I want to try, I need my cards. Wait, hold on. What I can do here is I can redraw for 32 cost. Potato, thank you. Because I want to make sure, because it's so worth it. It's so worth it. You get in the stock anyway. Yeah. Wait, was that the stocks one? Yeah, that was the worst option, or that was the best of the options there, but I didn't really want it particularly. But I think it's better than, and if I'm not going to get coffee anyway, it's not bad. 3 resources. Okay, we should take this one. 1 burnout, 2 adjacent place. So these guys are going to try to bug me. You're probably going to bug for 2 boost. So we'll go up to 3 with this. And then we'll gain 3 resources. And I could even go up to 4, right? Let's see. If I had 2 here. No, it's going to be 1. So I get 1 more here. Then you bug me for 2 more. That's up to 4. So we're already there. Okay, we gonna play monster bugs? Yeah. But it should be the case that you can only bug me for 2 max. Because I have bug shield. Because it's per turn, right? Or is it each of their turns? Okay, wait. Okay, can we clarify? So, it's per turn. It's like, so you could argue that they each have, like, it's turn 1 is me, turn 2 is them, turn 3 is them. Or you could say each turn is like, no, it should be the case. I can only do 2 max, right? So we have bug shield. That should keep us safe. They're going to do 2. No, we only do 1 onto me. Ha! Okay, hey, that's nice. Okay, but unfortunately we do not have turn counter at the top. Yeah, right. So we do not have any removal right now. This one. Ha ha ha. Okay. We're gonna do this. They'll get me up to 4 because they're only doing 1. That's good to know. Yeah, that I can just take a look at this crazy. Turn change at the start of the turn. Oh, okay. Yeah. Right. That's sort of my turn. Okay. This gets that up a little bit, and then honestly, I think I just spend to draw. Interesting. Okay, this gets us into a spot where we now can do some crazy things upcoming. Okay. I could activate it now. If I could sell these. I could sell, but I don't need to sell. Burn it to opponent employees. That's okay. So Bug Shield goes crazy. Yeah, Bug Shield's going to do really strong things for me here. I think we end turn here. That's okay. How many turns? I have 6 turns to get as much as possible. There's a pretty good chance we get a lot here. You can't hurt me with that. Thank you very much. And now we remove all this, giving us 9. Okay, and we have a ton of cards. Investors got to keep rocking and rolling. And then what else? So many cards now. Okay, I could use this investor going right now if I wanted, which isn't a terrible idea, I don't think. Target dev or activate target. Okay, then we get 3 resources from that on the cost of 2. Doesn't really do much for me. I mean, it's a little bit of project points, I guess. Let's see. What I want is to draw cards. So maybe play this one and then fire them. Wait, we're close to full. That should fill me up though, that's fine, right? I'll get down to 8 cards and then bump up to 10. Goodbye. Alright. Remove 1 burnout from your leftmost employee, gain 2 resources. That's nice for me. We have a 1 cost now. Yeah, we could play this. 1 cost in order to get 3 resources. Now, we probably do want this one. Okay, so I could play copy-paste developer, then play this. That's interesting. How can I give you copy-paste developer? That's my best call here. I could add 2 to you with this, actually. That's nice. So add 2 to you. Then, yeah, that's probably for the best. 2 to you. You're going to add 1 more, so up to 3. Then 4, right? So we want to get rid of all the burnout on the following turn if we can. Because we can with this, though. We can with this. So instead... Okay, wait, hold on. So then what we can do is we can add 2 more to you. And then we can sell cards. I'm going to get rid of these cards, probably. HR Ops. Remove all. And then can I give you some more burnout? Let's see, hold on. Then we can sell this one to play this one. And then play this one and end turn. Okay. Okay. All right, 17. We'll remove 1 from you with this, getting up to 19, and then we have Imposter Sam. All right, we're at 4 out of 6, 19 bonus. Probably for the best to do it now, yeah. 2 turns of strong. We can fire this one, play Imposter Sam to grab there. Remember about your good company bonus. Gained a lot of removing burnout. Oh, true. I do have a lot of those. Yeah, true, and I can just, instead of using DevOps Ninjas. Yeah. Copy you. What are my options again? Draw a card. Yeah, okay. Project Manager. Ooh. Okay. Investor, 3 resources, we'll take that. And I'll do Project Manager because I might as well get the boost there. I want to make sure that I get the card upgrade, I think. Because if I could go all in on copy developers, it'd be nice. Maybe. Or no, we'll just do the DevOps Ninja, actually. Yeah. And then, well, you know, we'll do DevOps Ninja. We'll probably do copy-paste developers, though, because we are very close to the end. So there's not much advantage in holding on to so much cash. All right, 19 and 19. Whew. Okay. They're gonna die. They're all gonna die. Okay. What can I do now? Fire employee. What do we got? All right, we're at... Whoa, holy cow, we're at 95, actually. We probably could just get the final one, which is a module. That would be pretty strong. So what do I want? I need to draw a card, and then I'm gonna play you and then fire you to draw 2 more cards. Boom. Remove 1 burnout. Dang, I really need the coffee machine. 2 burnout, add 2 burnout, but this is okay. We play this one, then play this one to use it, and then draw a card. Yes, coffee machine. Okay. Fortunately, that's okay. I mean, I should have removed from this one, I suppose. That's okay. Coffee machine. Okay. And then something I can do to remove 1 from you, is there? It wouldn't matter anyway, you're just gonna bug me. Hold on. I need to remove... Wait, yeah, coffee machine is gonna remove from you, but only if I can activate it, right? I'll burn from leftmost play. Let's see. 1, 2, that's gonna kill. So I need to draw this guy. Tough call here. I could put it on... Wait, hold on. If I use this and activate the card, that cleanses you, or I could use this and activate there. The problem is, I am thinned down to a tough spot. I think it's still the right call to remove this guy, and then we have a free spot here where I can try to hopefully just find something. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! All right. Gain 3 resources. And oh, hey, hold on. Copy paste developer, we want one of these to use. So let's sell, oh wait, actually 2 burnout. Let's do fire employee you. Thank you very much. And then, do I put one of these down to do 1 onto you, but then that kills you anyway. I'd rather do one of these. So we can sell both of you, play this one to give you a little burnout, and then meme stock will remove 1 of those burnouts, and this will give me resources. End turn. Oh yeah, I guess I would get all the rewards anyway. Yeah, we're already a little bit ahead of where we need to be, and your turn will be over 128. Yeah, good point. We're just doing it for vanity points now, I guess. All right, 162. So place, fire, give me these. Coffee machine, I mean, there's not really, yeah, nothing to be done at this point. 1, 2, so we'll play coffee machine, and we'll draw HR, nice. Remove that, and then fire you. I mean, I probably could play more optimally here, but boom. But I might as well play it kind of crazy. What's this gonna? Oh gosh. Okay, wait. I would love that. There's no way to do it now, is there? Okay, fair enough. We'll just end there then. But if I could fire one of these guys, I could put this down, activate that, give it a little bit more. But there you have it. 231. That's what it's all about. All right, 128. Card upgrade. This is going well. All right. Plus 2 burnout to leftmost. Okay, wait, remove 2 burnout. Oh, okay. I like that. Upgraded it. Yeah, it is actually pretty strong. Yeah, you know, it's better than Investor. I would say worse than Coffee Machine, but pretty good. So upgrade that one though to get the 2 burnout removal, or upgrade this to get the 1 cost though. I think this is probably stronger because activating target card is so broken, and if we have very little cost to it, it gets us. Hold on, 2 resources or 1 less cost on this. Well, actually, no, wait. 2 burnout. 2 burnout removal. I feel like this isn't my main way to gain. Like, yeah, I'd probably actually rather have DevOps Ninja because the point of this is just to give me resources, not really to remove burnout. We want Coffee Machine for that. This amount of burnout removal isn't much. It's kind of tough. But I think I'd rather upgrade this one because then it gives me resources so I can, like, the goal would be to have an endless turn, more or less. Labor Union, at the start of each turn, gain 1 additional resource, but you can't fire employees. Okay. Gain 1 additional resource, but you can't fire employees. Weird. I don't want that. Your HR. I feel like this is almost always bad, right? Wouldn't you ever not want to be able to fire employees? Your HR employee. Well, I guess if you could just let them pop, if that was the goal, to remove them that way. If your HR employee placed in the center board position draws you 2 cards a turn instead of 1. Ooh. Interesting, but I don't believe it would be if our project manager were actually an HR employee, then great. But I'm not probably going to use HR employees in center. Who's the other HR employee? Do we even have one? Oh, you. Yeah, I always fire you anyway. Stakeholder. After you redraw your hand, gain 1 resource. I think I just reroll this. I don't love any of that. Extra draw. Start of each project battle, draw an extra card. 1 extra card at the beginning. If your deck has no duplicates, no. After you take over an employee, gain a resource. I guess we take the extra draw. If you have a deck with a lot of self-burnout, it can work out with no fire module. Right. Okay. You crushed them. Nice. Okay, that one's down. Wait. Oh, that was just bug sprint. That wasn't even the battle. Okay. Well, I think we're primed for a battle now. All right. I almost feel like then, if you have the option for the final thing of either getting an extra module or something else, maybe you take something else, just because the last module most of the time isn't going to be that good since you already have 5, but like the odds that you chose all of the good ones already are pretty decent, considering you have 1 reroll and 3 options each time. Maybe not. The extra draw of 1 could actually be a game changer, I suppose. Alright, DevOps Ninja, what do we have here? I might do a full redraw. Copy target developer, because we didn't draw what we need here. And there's a decent chance of drawing for good things. We do 1 redraw there. There we go. Okay, potato. Potato is good. Straight away? I think so. Then, oh, lay off volunteer, actually. Should have gone this one first. And then fire you, give me something good. Project manager, nice. I'll put you on this end, I usually do. And then... remove 1 burnout. Okay, well, yeah, we'll do this. Add 1 there, then we'll do the remove 1 to gain 2 resource next turn. And the investor. That feels fine. Okay. Okay. 1 burnout, 1 burnout. Okay, they're going... Yeah, what are you mostly doing here? Flow state Andy. Interesting. Hold on. Okay, yes. Activate. Gain resource. Good. At the start of your turn, remove 1 burnout from the developer. So this one will auto kind of self-cleanse is the goal. And... Okay, then this one, add 1 burnout to... Okay, so just that. Wonder why I put that on its own. Just for a little bit of extra project points, I suppose. Gain 1 efficiency after any of the other employees gain burnout. Okay. Crunch. Oh, sure. Yeah, that makes sense. The fact that you're getting and using money in binary numbers is so convenient. Just makes sense for dev game. Interesting. Okay, remove all burnout from your leftmost employee. Draw a card for each burnout removed. We're going to need to add burnout if we want that, which this is a good way to do that. Add 2, then if they... Hold on, what do you have? Add 1. This is perfect for me. Just don't play a card where you do something mean to me besides that, right? Let's do this. 2 burnout. That gets us up to 3, then 4 from... Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Sort all burnouts. I don't think we'll hold on to. We'll do it later, maybe. Put burnout onto these guys, maybe. Feel okay about that. And end our turn. We'll hold on to these resources. I really don't... Well, okay, actually. I don't need the project points that much. I'd rather use the free fire here, just so we have a spot next to you for next time. End turn. Okay. 4. Wait a second. Oh, 5. Dang, I miscalculated. Why did I do that? Wait. 3. 4 from you and 5. Yeah, dang. What was I thinking? Gosh, dang it. No. Okay, that's okay. We can probably recounter pretty quick. We just need to draw the right thing. So I should have used HR ops instead there. 1 burnout, 2 target dab, or activate target action card. We're going to draw here and just look for things. No luck. Okay, then there's nothing really to play that makes a whole lot of sense. I think there's no reason to fire you either, though. Copy, paste, ninja. Add 1 burnout, target dab, or activate target action card. I think we just end turn. We'll have a non-eventful turn there, so we can stock up on cards. Okay. Give me my potato back. What have I done? Okay. Let's see. There you go. Oh, okay. Okay, potato. This time with feeling. All right. What do you got? Remove 1 burn from all target or from all. You have no employees. What are you thinking? What is this? They must have attacked each other. Maybe 1 burnout from the leftmost employee. Gain 2 resources, which is this. Okay. Wait. Add 2 burnout to target. Oh wait, did you hit me with this or did I? I don't know what I did. I feel like I just miscalculated, right? Or did they hit me with something additional? Because there is this guy, but they might have hit the other. They probably hit each other. Become a copy of target dev. Don't really want that yet. We'll do spaghetti code and bonk you. So now 2. You'll get 1 extra there, and then no one's attacking me except for. You only attack when you get played, but you really might be attacking me. I'm not sure if you did there. Then, yeah, okay. Then we'll do... We're just going to self-hurt a ton here. How much? We have 1 resource left, so I'm going to sell... Probably... I'll get you later, but you're 2 cost. A little bit expensive. Place this here. HR to you. And then end our turn. Okay. Yeah, potato decks are fun. Yeah, this is interesting. Gotta see if I can... I think the Sam to devil up the potatoes when we get to the later game. I'm just worried about like when we have really high project point requirements, because if this guy dies early, it could be a problem, but they have a lot of potential to get really strong. Okay. We have a lot of good boy points. Let's do draw card. Investor, thank you. Another one. Let's see. Project manager, thank you very much. And I will fire this one and place copy paste. I'm actually kind of tempted to go DevOps Ninja as well to activate the resources and just have them earlier, because then I can draw or use it. Yeah, I think I will. And then draw. Coffee machine. Okay. Hold on. Let's do. What do I want more here? Activate. I need fire employee as an option, I think, and then I can do this. Fire. This one. No, actually, this is tricky. So if I fire this one, I could put down spaghetti code and give you up to. But there's just no way to make that work. So I could give you up to 4, but then I can't use coffee machine straight away. So I think we just use coffee machine here and let them, yeah, just let it be like this and hold on to a resource. Okay. I went down to 0. Oh, because I didn't use my fire and employee. I should have probably used it. Yeah, I should have used it still. Ah, well. All right, remove those 3. That gives us a bunch of card draw and 15. I kind of like Imposter Sam, at least soon, maybe not just yet. All right, let's do fire. You, layoff volunteer. And then fire you. There you go. Give me these. Got investor. We got mean stocks. We got... you still have that there, that's fine. Spaghetti code, maybe? 2. Remove 1. Add 1, so yeah. So 2, then what do you have? You have 1 bug, so 3. That should all work fine, unless you give me 2 bonus, but... Which you might... That really is, I think, the problem. So, like, if I do this, let's see. This gets you up to 2. Then we are going to remove... And then you're going to add 1, so we have 3. Then they could hit you for 1, giving 4. And then we should remove 1, giving you 3. But if they had some unit, add 2 burn target employee, this could kill, right? So that's the potential problem. So maybe it's better to do HR ops here, but I don't have fire employees, so we really can't anyway. Yeah. Okay, enter. We'll see. 102. So you're gonna hit me up for 4. Unless you do some craziness, okay. Yeah, you did. Oh, oh no, you took. Oh, whoa, wait, you took, and then that also allows the natural, I didn't know that. That's interesting. So it's included in your burnout. Your burnout gets included. Oh gosh, that hurts. Okay, that's good to know. Another potential thing. I think we're gonna win this. So another potential thing to look out for in the final area. Okay. Spooky. Okay, so what I want now is, what are you? DevOps Ninja. I could steal all this away from you, giving me enough to do a free card draw if I wanted. It's potentially a thing. We have a lot of resources though, it's okay. We'll just draw manually. Here we go, layoff volunteer. Fire you. Gives me investor. And then we could do DevOps Ninja to get this straight away. And then draw project manager. Come on now. Give me, okay, coffee machine. I could, nah, that's nothing I do to you. Stocks, sure. I want the resources, I suppose. No, okay. You're gonna pop either way, right? So that's fine. HR ops. Serve all burnout, no. Okay, yeah, we'll just sit here and lick our wounds a little bit. Okay. Wait for my potato. Potato changes everything. Okay, so and then we would win here anyway. Yeah, I'll just end it off here. Just gotta be careful not to let them take my units and hurt them so. This guy had so many ways to hurt me. Okay, we'll end turn here though. Gets me up to what I need. You win. All right, gold card. Meme stock. I might be able to upgrade 2 cards here. Honestly, yeah. I feel like now that we can manually use cards, it's pretty good. I really wish we could get more of the coffee one, though. But that's okay. We'll take this one. And I don't want 2. There's no way. Do I want 2 of them? Is there a reason to want 2 of them? I don't feel like we want more. That's just so much. Ah, okay. Add 3 burnout to this developer. That's interesting. Ooh, this is actually really strong. 3 burnout for 1 cost. And then we just have to remove it. I like that. I might take that. Okay. Because that's like, it's a much stronger way to do it, rather than using... So, like, actually what I think I want to do here is I think I want to remove both my spaghetti units, because they're 2 burnout, but they're 2 cost. If I can just instead use, as a way to gain burnout without using so much space, I can just instead use that knowledge card, wherever it is, this one. That'd be a lot stronger. So I think we get rid of these guys. Goodbye. Both of them. We could just get rid of 1, I suppose, because we do want to hold on to some cash in case we have to use it in the final battle. Draws. Okay, draw copies of the first knowledge card of adjacent devs. They cost 0. Oh, that's interesting. Gain 1 efficiency for each burnout removed from adjacent employees. I don't think so on these, but that's interesting. Crunch time. 1 burnout to all your devs, gain 2 project points each. Nah, I'm good. I'm good on that. Okay, we burnt. Card to upgrade. What card would I want to upgrade at this point? Probably meme stock. Oh, no. Well, the burnout amount, it doesn't matter that much. I need more coffee machines. Hold on, is there a coffee machine here? That'd be amazing. I could reroll shop and just look for coffee machine. Layoff volunteer. Head intern. Not in love with any of these. What would I upgrade? Oh wait, this one actually. 0 cost. 4 burnout. Holy. Oh boy. That one gets really crazy. So we would need this. We would need potato already on the field. Use this for 0. Use either HR Ops or Dev Ninja with coffee machine. All in one turn. I don't hate that though. That's so strong. That's such a strong thing, if possible. Oh my goodness. It's so strong, but it's crazy. Okay, well. Now we want to do, I think we got to do some burn so we can increase the odds of that. One more burn, get rid of the other spaghetti code. Just give me the best odds of getting this all in one turn as possible. Because I super don't need that anymore. I don't want to burn anything else, do I? Oh, gosh. This is crazy. This is kind of crazy. Oh, makes me nervous. Okay. Ban 1 boss. We have to fight 2 bosses at once. We have to ban 1 of them. Potato King, you want to do what I do. And I will beat you at it. I'm pretty confident in that. I feel like we want to go for somebody who does the same thing that I do because I will be stronger. Bootcamp Potatoes and Scrum Board Ninjas. 1 efficiency for each burnout removed from adjacent employees. Yeah, I feel like that's the worst play. So I feel like you're a worse version of me, and I like that a lot. Because it means you're not going to attack me or hurt me. You're just going to focus on yourself. And I will outplay you there. Unpredictable, chaotic, and wealthy. Okay. Might not be too strategic, but the deck is far too large and unrefined, but with abundant resources, project points will inevitably start to flow. The 2 predictable things about their boss is that their deck contains no recruiters to take over employees and a bunch of expensive developers. So your goal is to just place down things, add knowledge cards to them, and just stack up over time. Thing is, as long as I play my cards right, literally, I will crush this boss. Draw a card. If the drawn card is an employee, lose 64 points. Add your current project points to other... Okay, so I don't want this guy, probably. I feel like all these bosses are fine for me. Nobody's an attack me boss. Try to pull off a powerful combo, bringing their own project points to below 0, then sharing with opponents. Make sure to have a counter to this strategy, like a project point reset effect or action card removal. I can endlessly scale here, so will you ever be able to beat my deck with this strategy? But if you can, I mean, you probably can. So I think we probably should get rid of it. I feel like we'd win because you're just a self-destruct boss. And but okay, we'll do it. We'll do it. I don't have the tools for that. There's a chance that they have something that really hurts me that I'm not expecting. So fair enough. Reward boosters. All right, let's do this. What do we got? So we have this. What I really would love right now, I'll do project manager on right side. We'll just kind of set ourselves up for later with meme stock investors. 1 meme stock investor and 1 regular investor. Meme stock investor. Yeah, and then we'll just hold on to resources. First turn, take it easy. We got Vim proficiency, and we have HR Ops, which are the 2 things we need in order to just have a completely busted early game. What did you just do? This is the problem, is when you start attacking people. Don't be doing that. Okay? I have to have carefully cultivated moves, okay? Remove 1 burn. Oh wait, no, you're removing each other. So yeah, do that to me actually. Never mind. Attack me with your kindness. Let's do what here? Draw cards and look for... Okay, layoff volunteer. We'll take this one. We have not found potato. This is a threat. Okay. Meme stock investor. We just gotta keep doing what we gotta do. And this is okay. This is okay. We're taking it easy at the beginning. End turn. Draw a card. Give me what I seek. I need this potato, and I need it now. We got 3 more cards to choose from. I guess I could have spent, maybe, because we do want to get going earlier. Okay, there we go. Good. Now we have a lot of resources. We'll do boot camp potato, left side. This has, so if we do, we have 5 slots, okay? Let this work. Vim proficiency, 4 burnout. Boom. Now we do HR ops, so we're all burnout. Adds 4 burnout silver when attached. It's just 1 knowledge, that's fine. So then HR ops, bonk. Perfect. Now, is there anything else that I want to do to just scale you higher this first turn? Coffee machine is a bit risky in case they do something crazy. They can only do 1 bug, but they can have 2 add to it. Because imagine just every turn I just do Vim like crazy. I think we draw here in the hopes of finding investor and turn. That's fine. Feel good about that. And honestly, at least based on the demo, I don't know if things have changed, but it feels like they really like to target people with high project points, and they don't care as much about other attributes, like who has the strongest employees, but they might now. They might now. Like, I'd imagine for stealing an employee they would, right? Okay, so what I want right now, remove 1 burnout from left employee, and... Okay, lay off volunteer. Meme stock, remove 1. I feel like we just remove these. We're just gonna wait. We'll just keep doing the Vim thing over and over, basically. Feels like it makes sense. And hold on to resources like this. Is this too slow of a way to play? But I feel like it's a good call, because once we have this guy really high up, we can just SAM them and have 2 of them. 71. Oof. But they're gonna get a little bit ahead, and they're gonna keep amplifying themselves too, for sure. But okay, 14. Good. I'm gonna say coffee machine though now is gonna be harder to use. We just want Vim. Vim isn't a burn, is it? No. Okay, we're good. Why are these burned? Oh no, they're just discarded. We're fine, we're fine. So there's 1 more to draw. I know what it is already. We just have to use, we'll use investor here, and then we'll draw. Oh, it's a volunteer. Where's my Vim? Oh, you're wearing it. Oh, crap. Wait. True. I didn't think about that. So that means we have to do it more manual. That's okay. That's okay. We will. Let's see. Hold on. So investor. We'll do coffee machine now, and then we're just gonna hurt you a bunch, and then take coffee machine. So let's say. How can I hurt you? Dang. Without Vim though, I was trying to spec into Vim. I didn't think about that. Although, if I copy you, I would get Vim, but that doesn't really matter, right? Because it won't activate. Will it? I don't know. But I think we do imposter now. No, we'll do dev, fire, dev. Okay. 2. Then what's in here still? Not this one, but this one. I could get 2 stonks. I feel okay about using a lot of fire here. Fire. Dev. We want 4. Do I fire again? I could DevOps Ninja. I have 2 of them. I could DevOps Ninja onto you. And then DevOps Ninja to activate coffee. And now I can meme stock. You're not gonna hurt. You can't hurt me for enough, right? You could steal from me though. Let's do another fire then, just in case. Dev. Okay, let's fire you. And we're gonna do layoff volunteer. Yeah, so I can fire them next time. Might be good. Something else that I wanted here. Oh, imposter though. For the 22. What we got here? The later that I do this, the better in a way. So let's just wait on that. We'll do. Let's see. We have 1 removal. No, we'll do 1 removal here, and do layoff volunteer and fire the next time. Now we got to start catching up, and we got to do it kind of fast. 118. Okay. Investor, okay. Investor, give me some points. Remove one from them. Okay. Now, okay, fire. I want to fire this one probably. We're going to do a lot of firing. And like, okay. So coffee machine, we can use to draw a bunch of cards. Dang, without Vim though, without you being able to multi-use Vim, I didn't think about that. I should have kept the spaghetti ones. Oh well. Because now firing is kind of tough. We don't want to fire this guy ever. Well, actually we have to fire it. Gosh dang it. Normally we want to fire this guy. We want them to be a copy-paste developer that we can just hurt with a middle copy-paste over and over and let them get auto-killed. We can suck investor. Let's, okay, we'll do... Copy-paste developer there. Then I could do... Hold on, you have 3. Then I could do dev to get rid of you. Okay, maybe. Dev ninja, get rid of this guy for me. But then it's just copy-paste developer and replacement there. Hit you for 1. And then... I want project manager, don't I? That could help this a lot as well. Didn't think about that. Fresh fire. Fire you. Give me project manager in place. Meme stock to remove 1. Or coffee machine. Because meme stock is fine. We'll do 2 meme stocks. And end turn. Okay, we gotta catch up because they have a 21. We have a 24, but we're gonna need to double it at like 30 plus at least. Oh, oh good, yes. Thank you. Yes, good. Great. Remove, remove. Alright. 28. Now we do gain 3 resources. Coffee machine. HR ops, copy-paste developer. Fire this guy. Or just copy-paste developer here to auto-fire them and then... Yeah. Boom. Boom. Investor's not a terrible call, maybe. What else can we get? Lay a volunteer, draw 2 cards. Okay. Fire. Add 1 burnout. Okay. Yeah, I'm okay with that. Add 1 burnout to you. Refresh fire. Fire this one so that this guy can just auto keep getting hit. We go with coffee machine. Can't hurt you anymore, really. Yeah. Coffee machine. Actually, I might fire this guy as well. That's fine. Fire you. DevOps Ninja. This. Meme stock. It's fine there. And then fire you and gain imposter there. Okay. And then we should, I think I will, okay, we'll do the other investor, and then we'll copy-paste developer, and end turn. Okay. We have enough to actually, HR ops is always going to be for this one, whenever they start to get kind of higher, and then everything else is being used on the left guy. What do we got here? Investor and meme stock, okay. Let's see, 223. Gosh, we're, oh, it's gonna be a fight to the top, but I do have advantage, right? So this is gonna get us up to, we should win this, right? Let's see, hold on. I have to win very soon. Oh no, well, okay, I think I have the last move, so it should be okay. I would like to see if I can win here though, with, like, regardless, but let's see. Right now we get up to 253. Okay, yeah, we have this. So what I wanna do, we have so many points too, is I'll play you and I'll lay you off. Then I could, what's my best? How do I could play this and then remove. Let's see, and then like activate it, giving me the 1 more that I need in order to fire somebody. We also have HR developer. We have a lot of decent options, I guess. Okay. Meme stock. Dev Ninja. Gives me 4. I'm going to put on 1 more to each of you. And then I'm going to fire you and steal your burnout. We already got it, though. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Okay, there you have it. 91. 261. Booster pack. Winning on higher difficulties grants you more boosters. Okay, booster pack. What do you give me? Winner first try. Congrats. I appreciate it. Add 2 burnout target employee, then remove 3 burnout from it. Okay. 2 burnout to target employee, then remove 3 burnout. Yeah. Strike manager plus. So, wait, is this... These cards I can use from the get-go with construction deck. When attached, generate a knowledge card. Okay. Generate a knowledge card. What do these look like? Oh, just anything in this type. Okay. Draw up to 3 employee cards from your discard pile. Add 1 burnout to all your devs. Gain 2 project points for each. And finally, remove all action cards in play. Gain 1 project point for each. I don't know if I like this one that much, but that's interesting. Okay. End run. Starter deck. Gotcha. Starter deck. We played boss battle. Gotcha, gotcha. And then, let's see. We're now 45 in new run. Let's just look and see what that unlocked for us. Balanced startup. We also could go on a higher difficulty. Okay. Copy paste armada. Construction deck. Intern magic. Unlocked by winning a run with 2 different starter decks. Okay. Starter decks. So we have 1 with this one. Starter module victories. Starter module victories with this deck. Highest win relaxed. So each time you win one, let's say I won in the highest difficulty, do I get all these unlocked or is it just the 1 unlocked? I'm guessing just the 1 probably, but I'm not sure. Balanced startup. And what does this deck have in it as well? Asocial UX designer. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. When attached, remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. Knowledge, okay. This is much different from the other one, right? So the other one was very focused on, I guess, on mass burnout gain, where this one is much more focused on, I guess, a variety, maybe? Draw 3 cards, add 1 burnout, take over target, employee. Yeah, a lot of variety in this one. Starter module you won with. Oh, okay. That's just showing that. Okay, gotcha. And then construction deck as well, but I probably do I have a certain amount that I need to have in order, or is there a maximum? Let's see. Add 1 burnout to all your devs, gain 2 project points for each. Draw a card, so I just throw all these in. Interesting, need at least 10 cards. Okay, gotcha. So you can win those through different play. Gotcha, gotcha, gotcha. Balanced startup. Okay. I'm gonna go and we'll take a look just for the sake of knowing, I guess, at unfair here. Pay to win cost is insane, opponent level is unfair, booster pack reward 5, and then starting money 0. I just want to see kind of what that looks like. We'll have this as our big tester. It's going to be probably ridiculous, but I want to see it. Starter module. Okay, so, and then is the 1 here just saying how often I've won with it, or is there some advantage to this 1? Start of each battle, gain 3 additional resource, and then the other option. We could do the fire one this time, I suppose. What's our deck look like, and how would that work with firing? If you don't control any HR, draw a card. When attached, remove burnout, remove 1 burnout. Crunch, remove 1 burnout. If you target an employee, draw a card. Take over target employee for 1 turn, can't be fired. If you control any HR, this card can be sold for 2. Draw 3 cards. Add 1 burnout. Shows how often you won with it. Gotcha. Okay, gotcha. Fair enough. We'll take Meat Grinder here just so we can, get a little variety and show some fire advantage. Every time we fire somebody, we now gain 3 resources. Honestly, it would have been kind of strong the last time. Choose a card to upgrade. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Don't control any HR, draw 2 cards. We can go without HR as an option. But I guess a lot of card draws is a big reversal on what we did before. Add 1 burnout. If you target your own employee, draw a card. So this is a huge card draw guy. Okay. And we upgrade them to make them cheaper and add more burnout. But it's more burnout. But I could add burnout to someone that I have and then fire them if I wanted. So that might be good for me. More burnout and draw a card still. I feel like draw 2 cards. Maybe would that be too broken, maybe? Unfair is really unfair. You need a lot of luck to win. Okay, fair, fair. I mean, I figure I got a little more experience, but maybe not quite enough. We'll see, okay? 16 project points. We'll just get as far as we can. And take a look at the new, simultaneously, you know, take a look at the new options. So 0, we have 1 resource. So not used to having 1 resource at this point. Can't fire anybody. Can't really draw here. Could sell this. Could sell this, place 1 unit, then fire them for some resource. Right? Sell for 1. Oh, I don't have. Oh crap! All my units are too expensive. Okay, we'll just end turn here. That's fine. Because fire gives me 3, right? So that can be really broken very early on. We just need to have somebody who's low cost. I guess HR is the only one we even have that could be that. All right, fair enough. Investor, gain 2 resources. We need to find some cheap units in order to take advantage. So gain 3 resource or 2 resource. Very good. And then remove 1 burnout if target employee. Draw a card. Okay. Research engineer. Okay, maybe. Take over target employee for 1 turn. What do you got? Remove 1 burnout from adjacent. Control any HR. This card can be sold for 2. Oh, if you control any HR, this target can be sold for 2. So just have it in the deck and sell it. That's the point of this card, and they used it. Interesting. So if I just, okay, if I put down an HR here. Who do I want to take, though? Add 1 burnout if you, oh, this one, and then I can draw an extra card. Thank you very much. And then, now I can sell this because I control HR. And I can't fire you, but I now control HR, which means that I will get to draw a bonus card, and then I can, so it means that if I fire this guy, that's fine. I gain a bunch of resources. Okay. Wait, can I put this on you? I can't. I can put it onto other people's units. Oh my goodness. Remove 1 burnout if your target if you target an opponent's employee, draw a card. Do you count as an opponent's employee if I put this on here? All right. Remove 1, draw a card. Nope. Ah, okay, interesting. Who would I maybe want to remove from then? Card can be sold for 2. For adjacent employees. Let's see. Honestly, I kind of want to keep you in play because you're not very good to have in play, if anybody. Gain 1 efficiency after any of the other plays gain burnout. Okay. So yeah, I don't mind this idea, perhaps. Boom, boom. Give me a card. Add 2 burnout if you target your own employee. Draw. Oh wait, wait. Oh, yes. Give me a card, right? If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Dang. Okay. Debugging? No. I'll just end here. Has to be on opponent's board. Right. And then so simultaneously I have advantage if I can take theirs and then use it on myself. Where's 1 from the left? Play to the left. Do you count as to the left or does it have to be here? Leftmost employee maybe? Or, well no. I don't know. I don't know about that. But I'll just end turn. Hold on my resource here. Maybe I could have done a dependency actually on myself here. You have a shield. Maybe on you actually. Draw 3 cards. Oh! Ow! What the heck? Okay. Oh boy. Yeah, we learn what's going on very fast here. Holy cow. Okay. That 3 knowledge would have been a big advantage there then. Don't control any HR, draw a card. Do control HR. Crunch, draw 3 cards, add 2 burnout to all opponents' employees. When attached, remove 1. Holy cow. Alright. I could fire you though. Give me some extra points. And you don't give me anything right now anyway. Fire. On adjacent spot to the left. Yeah, gotcha. You don't control any HR, so I could do draw a card with this. Boom, draw me a card. If you target your own employee, draw a card, that's fine. Could draw a card with this. Okay. Knowledge. Could you 3 and 2, 5, 3. There's not a whole lot of chance here. Unless actually, yeah. Put it onto you. Any chance I can find a steal again? How many have 3 left here? Recruiter? I really want recruiter. How much does it cost? 3 cost. Yes, okay. I could take their 10, and between that and what I have, I win, right? 18, actually. Hole up. Control any HR, this card can be sold for 2. I think this is fine. I mean, I could just take the 10. I'll just take the 10 because I don't, this guy's got a lot of cards. And I don't know about all that. Take this. And then I'm gonna see if I can't, so we need 3 for this one. Oh, selling doesn't, wait, no, selling works right. Be over the opponent's, oh, I need to be over their points? Oh no, should take the 18. Dang, okay. 2 burnout. 32, okay, I see. I'm screwed. I'm so screwed, I'm so doomed. 3, okay, onto you. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay. Fair enough. 18 wouldn't have done it anyway. We would have, but okay. That's good to know how that works, and also to take a look at the new option there. Okay. Do I go one down the middle? I might. Yeah, we'll do one more. I'm really enjoying this. So let's go with hard. We'll do one more. We'll do it on kind of this middle one and see how we manage. Bounce startup. I kind of actually, you know, second run. Yeah, I think we'll do this one. To be fair, it was a very fast run. Okay, we'll do one bonus run because it is such a cool game, you know. All right, let's do employee meat grinder or investor. How often do we want to sell people versus just having a little bit of an advantage at the beginning? I think I will go with. This sold can be sold for 2. Not sell, but fire. Actually tough. Control any HR, draw a card. Because if we don't get cards that have advantage on being sold, no, we'll take this. We'll take this. I tried unfair. Check build deck. Build deck, you have to have a certain amount of cards to use, so you have to have 10. So I don't have that. Prepare for card upgrade. So this guy was really pretty strong there. Take over target employee, make it cheaper. That's one option. Control HR. Remove 1 burnout. Not so nice card. Might do this. For cheap, I think I will take this guy. And then that also helps with sell. Custom? Yeah, I know. So for custom, you have to have 10. A social UX is great upgrade. Oh, really? Oh, yeah, I'll have to upgrade it next time. Let's see. Upgrade has 2 and draws 2 cards. Ooh. But it does require me not to have any HR. Which I haven't done a whole lot of. Has only cards you've seen. No, it's you get rewarded with a deck to use for constructing. So it only has cards that you've gained through battle, I guess, through wins. Investor, gain 2 resources. This one's a pretty easy option. And then maybe can't use this one yet, but I could grab this 1 burnout target owned card. Yeah, we'll get rid of you and get this one going on itself. Enter. Nice. Draws card. So we're doing card draw. We're kind of doing an HR focused build, so asocial is a bit tough right now. Or at least that's what I might like to do. I'd like to see if I could just draw a bunch of cards. You could fire it to gain 3 resources with module. True. Fire you, gain 3, and then. Oh yeah, I could have fired last time. True. Yeah. But fire you here, and then take over target employee. Okay. 3 card gain. Don't control any HR, draw a card. We'll do this one maybe. Senior backend dev. Control any HR. This card can be sold for 2. So we need an HR, which I will do on you maybe. I don't know how that would work actually for this. What did the other guy? Remove 1 burnout. Target employee, draw a card. Does this count when if I take you, can I use your ability? Probably not. All card I ever had on all runs. No. So the way that it works with construction is constructed deck or custom deck is when you beat a run, you get a card pack, which then you have access to those cards within your constructed deck. Could fire it to gain 3 resources with module. Let's see. Okay, so who do I take here? A bunch of adjacent employees. I'd probably just take the higher one. These give me a little bit of project points. Control any HR, sold this for 2, and then we can do draw 3. Actually, Actually, I love that boosters random. Yeah, I think so. And then draw 3 cards, and Monster Bug Plus is kind of crazy. Okay, let's do that. Good. Project points up to 6 now. We need 16. Exactly that meta progression. Yeah, it is nice. All right, you'd love to see it. Okay. Gosh, they are poking at me, but we need to beat them. Yeah. Okay. Monster Bug to get rid of some of them. Now they're all having trouble. We get knowledge here. Man, this deck it's hard to sort out exactly with HR because I like that it draws cards and it's maybe a good long play deck, but with 16 needed, it's a bit tough. Attach, remove 1 burnout from the employee left. I could fire you though. That's a pretty good call. Give me some points. Start with upgraded. Nice. Yeah. True. Yeah, which is also interesting. 1 burnout if your target's an opponent's employee, draw a card. Okay. I don't hate that. Give me the resources. If you grind enough, you can totally OP Dex from the start. Yeah. Let's see. Pop you down by 1 to give me Investor. That's fine. And then we need to crunch maybe here. I'll put you there. I will crunch, gives me this, then I can do knowledge onto you, removing that, and now we're up to 8 project points. We need 3 for this. I could sell all of these and get 3 more. Gets me up 8, up to 8, 9, 10, 10 gain. Okay, that's potentially a way to win here. Actually, you're harder to kill, so maybe I'll go with you instead. Yeah. PvP win. True. All right, 18. There we go. We get a quick win there. Take a card and some cash. Knowledge 5. 1 monster bug to your hand. It costs 0, so we can double up on monster bugs. Just execute all the enemies. How good is that for me? But it's not a... Wait. Upgrade it? Add 2. 1 bonus. I kind of prefer upgraded. So I don't know about that. Some decks that allow you to do infinite Exodia combos. Interesting. Gain 2 resources. Okay, Investor. I think getting more Investor is good, and we upgrade Investor. We go really heavy into that card. Because by the time late game comes around, we just become broken. Then again, even upgraded Investors, it's tough to make... Well, actually, yeah, I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe I should have rerolled there. 3 random recruiters, 3 random interns. Okay, upgraded. Find it. 3 random upgraded intern cards. Interns. Show random card pool. Okay. Generate developer card. Oh, can I right click on these? No. Okay. Copy the first knowledge bot card from the dev to the left. Knowledge cards. Crunching. Take over employee. Take over target employee that has no burnout. Oh, fully take over. Whoa. Take over a target employee from an opponent that has with no action cards in play. Wow, these are crazy. I might take this one. Recruiter in a box is kind of wild. Module. I don't think I have any generate. Negative virus. Project points are negative. Each opponent loses 8 project points. Interesting. After you use the redraw your hand, gain 1 resource. Yeah, okay. Recruiter in a box is probably good. But they are all high cost, so firing is going to be tough. That's the one thing, is I don't have any 0 cost units. Let's reroll this. Recruiter. Ooh, take over an employee, gain a resource. That's nice. Start of each turn, do good company. Deck has no duplicates. Start each project battle with investor card. No. Recruiter. Crush them. Nice. Yes. Yeah, okay, so we're going for recruiting. How is this going to work? Is this a functional build? Who knows? All right, trade offer. What do you got? Get away from it all and debugging in exchange for after you buy a card, gain 1 efficiency and add 1 burnout to adjacent employees. Whoa. That might be strong. Maybe. And then you have permanent burnout. After burnout or firing, this card gets removed from... Oh, it's exhaust. Oh. Yikes. Card from your hand, HR researcher. So say I buy, so just buying cards boosts me. Okay. So having just a lot of resource, I guess, and getting you up to crazy levels. And how expensive are you? 4. What's upgrade on this? 3, 2, 2 to adjacent employees. So we would put you on the edge and just boost you like crazy. Okay. I might like this. I don't really want HR researcher, but I think I might take this and see what I can do with that. Okay, burn cards. Generate a card from your hand. I don't think we want this one because it doesn't buy. It's not buying. So what I want is a lot of resource, which we have investors for. So we do tons of investors and Fisk. It actually kind of makes sense, right? So this is we could spec this direction, and then we can recruit enemies. Okay, maybe. We'll do 1 removal. We always do 1 removal. It's good to do just 1. Upgrade. Oh, right, but now we don't have advantage on upgrade. I need that module. Like, I missed that module, I guess I should say. I don't need it. HR lady. Remove all action cards in play. Game of project points. Fisk. Yeah. Oh, it's from Spider-Man. Yeah. Oh, sure. Yeah, you got it. You got it. Reset everyone's project points to 0. Remove target action card. If your project points are negative, draw cards till your hand is full. Daredevil. Oh, sure. I mean, I guess also Daredevil. Yeah, true. Visit card shop. I think. Okay. We don't get to upgrade anybody. Guys, dang it. Guys, dang it. No. Oh wait. We gotta do that. Random meeting. Random meeting. What you got? I have some cash, so I can get myself out of this. Maybe. Interns in a box. Investors in a box. Can I right-click this? No. Which box piques your interest? Interns in a box. Investors in a box. Recruiters in a box. Add a random upgraded card to your deck. We already have recruiters in a box. What do we think? What do we think? Upgraded card or recruiters? Boxes. Okay, everyone loves boxes. Fine. Okay, we'll go with recruiters in a box here maybe, because I already have 2 investors. I could get better investors that could remove some burnout. You could have got to event and then to shop. True. Event and then shop. Well, I mean, no, you can't. Shop is between. Then you go to event. You can't do in that order. Oh, you're saying upgrade the bot. We have an upgrade after this. So the way it works is like after you beat the enemy, you have your sell options and all that. Then you go to this screen. So it's not possible to do that in that order. Incorrect. However, you can get upgrade after this. So I still have an upgrade available. Okay. All right. Good. 3 random investor cards to your hand. I feel like. I'm torn on this. I feel like we take the recruiters though, right? Because we can always sell them and use that to buy. But and we can upgrade them, recruiter in a box. Now we do. Also though, upgrades cost 500 something. I'm probably never going to be able to upgrade through shop again, or very rarely. Okay, very rarely. Interns are good firing. Oh, maybe we should have done that. Okay, true. Oh yeah, true, because they're very cheap. Good point. Good point. Card upgrade. So we can upgrade the recruiters here. Recruiter in a box. Show. Yeah, because these are all expensive. Good point. And then, that's all we got. Yeah. Okay, we got to take this, though. To-do list. Yeah, so the to-do list, that's after, right? You can choose your order in to-do list, but you cannot choose to do the shop or before you do to-do list. Yes, right. So random meeting, and usually I think it's ordered in a way that makes sense like that. So the meeting is before the card upgrade. It might be random, but I believe it's ordered like this all the time. So meeting is first, and then card upgrade, which you can choose order, but I think you can choose. Can you choose order? I don't even know if you can choose order here, but I think you can. Okay, bring it on. Here we go. What do we got? Investors, double investor early is good. Click them at any order. Yeah. Except for leave, right? Sure, makes sense. Double investor right away, and then I want controlling HR draw card, maybe this one, so we can sell all these. If you control any HR, this card can be sold. If you do control, ooh, hold on. So 2. So I could sell this one, place this one, choose target to add burnout. Yeah, onto myself. That's fine. Then now because I do control, I can sell it for 2, and then I can fire you to gain 3. Nice. Draw a card. Now just fire you for 3. Then I have 5 now. I can place this. If you buy a card, gain 1 efficiency, add 1 burnout to chase employees. That's fine. Place this one. Click leave. No, if you want. I don't believe so, because leave is to go to the next area. Basically, it's like once you've beaten it, then you can leave to go to the shop. But I don't believe you can leave until then. Could sell this one for a research point, a resource, and then I could buy, and that gives you 1 extra. That feels okay. Do that. Yeah. Now enter. 2 investors. This should give us a ton of recruiter. You have to clear the to-do list first. Yeah. Imagine the OP starting deck, but you are late to every meeting. Ah, they hurt me so. Okay. Double investor. I need a removal on that. 3 recruiters to your hand. Okay. I'll be able to skip skip the whole game. What do you mean? All right. Dev recruiter in box. I could take you. I don't mind that. I don't mind that one bit. But I should do this. Well, I'll do both. Whatever. Take. And then I could fire you. I could buy more. I probably should do that. I can't fire this guy. Could fire you at this point, which gives me resource. I like that. Good. 7. And now when I buy cards, this gets amped. And I can kill them with it. Nice. Haha. Would have been chat. Would have been. Oh, to get to the end without fighting. But the problem with that is that you would, if you want to leave before you do any fights, you would have to also knock the other advantages, right? I think that's the issue. Draw 3 cards. Sure. Okay, place this down. Buy. Knowledge. Could put this here. So again though, here's where we test it, because I believe that the answer here is that this doesn't work. Oh, actually no, I can't. Dang, because I'm pretty sure if I put this onto you and then you die from burnout, I don't get this back. I'm pretty sure it goes into discard, not into my hand. I believe that's how these knowledge cards work. To raise their efficiency, knowledge cards return to your hand after an play burns out. Oh, maybe it's if I fire them I don't get it back? One of the two, I thought. I'm pretty sure, but maybe not. Enter. Pop. Give you a bunch of project points. And yeah, we have a bit of a weird hand here. A little bit weird of a concept. I like Fisk a lot, but Fisk, if they hurt Fisk, it is pain for me. Recruiters in a box, thank you. Suggestions are always welcome. The problem is that it's mostly my side project. I have limited time to work. Sure. It would be interesting. Yeah, it could be interesting. Okay, recruiters in a box, just more of these guys. Because then we can sell a bunch of guys and get more money for Fisk. Recruiters in a box, we go for it. And then Monster Bug. I like that. And now, add 1 burnout. If you target one employee, draw a card. Or do I take over target employee, take over employee that has no burnout. No one has no burnout. Take over target employee from with no action cards. Unfortunately, none like that either. Remove 1 burnout. I'll do this guy. Target yourself. And then we can sell these. I almost feel like these probably should exhaust. Cards pile. Oh, yeah, you're gone forever, right? Forgot. Yeah, true. Unfortunate. Sell these guys. Remove 1 burnout. If your target has targeted opponent's play, draw a card. Nah, do this here, and I'll steal you. Which one? 5. Steal you. Turn. Okay. Oh, I should have fired. Gosh dang it, I didn't fire. True. Okay. Always fire. Just art, whatever loop. Or a bug us. Yeah, true. Yeah, that's a clever idea. Okay, they're stealing me. They're stealing my units. Alright. Bug. Bonk. Goodbye. Okay. It's a bit tough right now. Fire you. Give me the points. Research. Investor. I like investor here. Take over target employee. We don't have anybody like. They have no employees on the enemy team. Alright. Crunch. Knowledge. Add 2 burnout target employee. No. Alright. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Okay. Action. And then I can do crunch. Yes. You are a 3. I could give you 3 more. Knowledge. Give me some hope here. And then just sell these like crazy. That's the issue though, is we have all these junk cards now. And that's fine. And then we can put this guy in and... Oh, okay. And then attack someone over there. Add 2 burnout. Who is the most dead? Choose to not crunch. You can, yeah. Yep. Why is it there in the first place? Because you might not necessarily want the burnout on this character. It's a pretty cheap 1 shield, 2 knowledge character, I suppose. But usually crunch is what you want to do, but it gives it more variety. Do I take... or more options? Efficiency after getting any of the burnout. I want to get rid of you. So I could just do this. Add and then hit you. Control any HR. This card can be sold for 2. That's fine. Boom. Take over target employee for 1 turn. Yeah, I'll get rid of you entirely like this. Or, wait, what's this guy? If you control any HRs, can be sold for 2. That's such a weird choice. Okay. I'll take you just because I want you to be removed. And end turn. Why isn't there? Why you want to burn it down? Burn it down. What do you mean? Let's see. Cash. Like it. So the way that it works with crunch is that you get one. You get 1 burnout additional, and you get 2 project points. But you might not want the extra project points. So if you don't want to burn it, like you don't want to add burnout, then you might not take the 2 project points. If you do want to add, if you do want to get the project points more though, then you might accept the burnout. And in some cases, you might even prefer to have the burnout, like in the case of project manager that gets advantage when there's burnout. But can you exit the reward and look at another? Oh, fire advantage. This is good. You can't. You can only skip once you've selected an option like this. Project points. Yeah. Target employee for 1 turn can't be fired. I think we take this. When attached, remove 1 burnout from this button now. We'll just take the layoff. Layoff good. Biz Dev Tony. After you sell a card, gain 1 burnout and draw a card. Ooh. Interesting. Not just flat. Efficiency, not just flat. Yeah, efficiency on... wait, on which? Efficiency on Fisk anyway, I have. Yeah, it like is extra every turn is the idea. Would be good to actually to remove burnout. I'll burn it from this developer. So maybe this guy. When attached, generate a knowledge card. Well, it's kind of single use, but it's helpful. I need some. I need to reroll here. I need some option that I can consistently play. Oh, this is good. To remove all action cards and play. Gain 1 reach point for each. Take that. I need a card like the one that like coffee, for example. Something to just consistently get rid of Fisk's disadvantage. Of once they die, they're gone forever. You can see the top card of your deck by hovering cards. Extra draw at the beginning, or after you play your 5th employee during 1 turn. Refresh your fire and play button. I like that. I like that. We got to get to that point, but yeah, I like that a lot. We are kind of that type of character a bit. To-do list cleared. Okay, burn. Let's get rid of... what? Draw a card. 3 cost, maybe. Coffee addict already, yep. Senior backend dev, 20 HR, sold for 2 is good. Man, recruiter in a box is a bit tough. I think 1 of them is good, but 2 is not. Layoff volunteer, sprint planning, monster bug. I like most of the things I have. Crunch, but the one I like the least might be this, because it's just 1 card draw for 3 costs is just too much. Vessel. Wait. Vessel? Vessel. What are we talking about? Alright, I'm gonna get rid of this one. The game. What about it? What about it? Yeah, I hear ya. I'm aware of the game. Let's see. What do we got? I want to keep layoff engineers, junior backend dev, and these 2 I could get rid of. I'm okay with getting rid of these guys. For what? Sprint planning for 3 card draw. Remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. This is all good. I might just take this. Oh, I don't know. I don't know if I said vessel. I probably said something that sounded similar, maybe. 512. I could upgrade 1 card here. If I did upgrade a card, probably Fisk, which gives it 3 cost, 2 burnout to local employees. Less expensive is really pretty nice. Isn't it in your deck? No. Vessel, no. I don't know. Recruiter in a box is what I was talking about at the time, probably. Let's see. Sprint planning, layoff volunteer, investor maybe instead of vessel. Yeah, maybe sound kind of similar. Debugging. Okay. Upgrade a card here. It's so expensive though. Anything better? Investor cards. I do want to upgrade these guys as well at some point. Technical debt cleaner. Dang. What do I want? Might hold on to my cash, I guess. Dang. Hold on to my cash here. We gotta get, well, no. There's no way to make this cheaper. It's so expensive. Okay, that's fine. I feel like it's just not, I don't want to spend my money. It's just too dangerous. Card upgrade. Finance planning first will do. And then we'll probably upgrade Fisk, I'm guessing. Next project battle, gain 2 for each time you draw a card. Ooh, fire employee. Amazing. Yes. Good. Sounds like a plan. Solid. Card upgrade. Probably Fisk, but maybe Investor. These are both good options. Maybe Investor, actually, because 3 is so much. Versus Fisk, the 1 less cost, and the 2 burnout are not that important. Anything better? Sprint planning cheaper is nice. More resources is so good. Layoff volunteer for 2 card draw. Ooh, 2 card draw. Man, these are all so good. 2 card draw means 1 extra resource, and it's just better. Yeah, it's just better. Layoff volunteer is just better than investor upgrade. Imagine box build. I know. I really should have taken, instead of recruiter box, I should have taken intern to be able to fire them easier. Project battle. Okay. Bring it on. What do we got? Recruiter in a box, an investor. Probably take these both right away. And then, any chance I put down a Fisk immediately? Take over employee, draw 3 cards. Yeah, maybe. Gonna make eggs breakfast at 1822. Gotcha. Eggs. I should. Yeah, I haven't made eggs in a while, honestly. Probably should get that going. Remove. Man, we don't have anybody to play. I might just sell these 2, then play you, then fire you, just for the. Wait, can't be fired. Wait, can the recruiter be fired though? Probably. Yeah. I probably. Oh, can I play it if there's no one to take from them? I might have to take for myself at that point. It's probably not worth it. Yeah, we'll just sell. If I sell, wait, hold on. After burnout or firing, what about selling? I would think selling wouldn't count there. So I'm gonna sell these, right? And then I can fire. That's got to be the case, right? Yes, we're good. Okay, now I can play this one and then immediately fire. Nice. Perfect. Fire. And then end turn. We'll hold on to a resource. Good. I think that was worth it. Did that matter? I hope so. Maybe not. Maybe that didn't really matter. I don't know. Like placing them, it removes them from my current deck is basically all it did, huh? Maybe. Triggering action cards. Nice. We're still doing okay either way. Give me these. All right. There's no burnout. Everybody has these things. Dang. Take over. But they would always have these things. What's the point of Pizza Bait Recruiter? The odds of that being good seem really low, but okay. We'll do, who's the cheapest? You? Oh. I can't do it if I, okay, gosh, dang it. Dang, okay. So these aren't gonna work for me. I just have to sell these. Control any HR, sold for 2. That's fine. So you can remove it and then take it over. There are cards that remove burnout. Yeah, right. Okay, sprint planning, that's fine. Monster bug, that's fine. Layoff volunteer, nice. Debugging, and we'll just end turn there. Okay. A little awkward beginning, but that's alright. Talked a lot at the end, Matt. Gotcha. Remove it and then take it over. Not about the time zone. Time zone. Alright. Let's see. Monster bug. Monster bug it up. Bonk bonk. Later. So they're gonna monster. Wait, what do you got? Is this level 2 or just 1? It's just 1, so that's fine. So you have no units anymore. Thank you very much. I'm gonna place this and then fire it straight away. And then can I get... Sell this for 2 is fine. Yeah, I like that. Dang, no really great options here. 2 resources, 3 recruiters. Buy. I need Fisk here. Remove 1 burnout. Okay. Place you and then just end turn. We can fire you next turn. Honestly, might remove this one though. I need as much access, I guess, to the fire units as we can get, so we can always fire every turn. German, gotcha. Let's see. Lay a volunteer. Yeah, it's just 3 extra project points per turn, I suppose. Yeah, a million of these guys. That's okay. And then lay a volunteer, fire, Fisk, good, Fisk. And then we can start buying cards to enhance you. With there's no burnout. Don't need this one. Take over and play for 1 turn. 1 burnout to adjacent employees. I'm pretty sure if I take you over that one, I can't use your abilities, so it shouldn't add burnout. Logically, doesn't make no sense. All right, good. Okay, not that it really matters that much. Remove 1 burnout from left. We'll hold on to that and buy. Oh wait, yeah, right. Whenever I buy, it hurts. That's fine. Gain 2 resources. Buy. Draw 3 cards. Yeah, we're just executing this character. I can't buy here. That's fine, actually. Then end turn. They'll get popped down anyway. Boom. Okay. No spoilers I got bombarded with. I didn't see Arcane for 10 hours since it came out. No spoilers I got bombarded with. It's amazing. Gotcha. Nice. Yeah, I might have to take a look. I know I'll like it, but wait. Oh, we're getting close to death. Close to death, but I think we win this. Okay, recruiters in a box. I feel like we just need 1 of these because they don't actually exhaust, so we should get rid of the other one. It's a bit much to have so many recruiters popping in. We have so many useless recruiter cards right now. Maybe it's okay, because we can just sell them. Investor. Recruiters in a box. Oh, I guess I could just sell it as well if I wanted to. Like, just look at that. It's gonna be okay. But we have Fisk. The point is to use Fisk. But these guys, like, this is just better, right? Like, it's just better to use layoff volunteers than to use any of these recruiters. They're just not gonna help me. Although, actually, now they would, wouldn't they? Monster bug. Place in. I need to. Okay, layoff volunteer now. We'll sell. Remove 1 burnout if you target an opponent's employee. Draw a card. I could just place it and then remove my allies one. And then I should buy more home office recruiter. So now I can take 1 of yours. Maybe it is worth it. I want to talk about it so much with you. Let's see. I know, but I mean, it'd be kind of spoily to talk about Arcane like during a stream, right? If you control any HR, this card can be sold for 2. So I don't want to sell the card. Add 1 burnout to target employee. 1 burnout. I could take an HR for an extra card draw. That's not bad. Take you. Like if we talk about spoilers for a show during a stream, right? Like, all right, debugging. Don't really want to do that. Recruiters in a box. Layoff volunteer. I'll just end turn. Or I could sell this one, right? Buy card. Well, if you're worried about saying it in the stream because it would spoil me on it, wouldn't you saying it in the stream spoil other people on it, right? Does that make sense? Sell, buy, sell, buy. Just scale you up, I guess. Yeah, this is good. Oh, I could sell these 2 and then take another one of your employees. Or take yours. Whatever, I'll take it. Wait, do I get these cards permanently? I don't know how this... Let's stream. Let's see. Sell, buy, take. Watch it live. I'm not sure if I will. Let's see. And now I've just crippled them. Okay, we got some pretty good things going on here. Get them for this battle only. Okay, gotcha. This battle. But, like, do I get the card for the rest of the battle? Like, I could just steal all their good cards, in theory. Okay, everyone dies, and then I just end turn there. Okay, we're starting to get somewhere interesting. I don't think it's super likely that any of these recruiters are going to work great for me. I probably should remove 1 of the boxes. You can if you look at the co-stream stuff, or just obscure screen enough. I'm not sure if that's true, because they did, like, I looked into it. It might be specific for Arcane, but Twitch removed the stream party thing entirely from their platform, and Amazon no longer does it as well. When attached, add +1 burnout to each opponent's cards. Bugging. Very most play. Okay. Gains 1 efficiency. This is a kind of interesting card. Custom stuff. Obscure. 1 efficiency for each burnout received or removed from adjacent employees. No, probably not. This turn, your newest module gets replaced with a random useful OP module. This turn. No, I'd probably just take. Maybe bugging though, or reroll. We do reroll here. Generator developer card, optionally crunch 2. I don't know if I like any of these. Desperate intern. 1 burnout. Yeah, I don't think I want any of those. What about you? 2 resource. We have enough investors at this point. +4 knowledge. I don't think so. Project manager. 1 burnout to target employee, then remove 2 burnout from it. This is nice. Stress manager. So we can actually... Interns are cheap. Fire fodder. True. Oh, yeah, true. Stress manager works that way too, though, right? I can play that and then... But then, yeah, desperate intern. 1 cost, 2 crunch, fire. But I feel like, for the most part now, we're getting to a spot where layoff volunteer is our core fire unit. And so I don't know if I want others at this point. Honestly, I feel like I want to... I'm glad I didn't take the intern box, because layoff volunteer is too strong compared to that. And then we removed 1 recruiter box, only have 1 of those. Could be good. Module. Bug shield is nice, because we do have a potential problem with Fisk later, especially in those bug rooms. That might be a good way to beat the bug room and get 1 free. You know what? Yeah, we get 1 free module by using bug shield. That feels pretty strong. Start of each turn, gain 1 additional resource, but you can't fire employees. 1 additional resource, but you can't fire employees. No. I'll take bug shield here. I like that. Don't want this. So what build do you choose to go for? So at this point, I think my build is a Fisk build, predominantly. So I'm building up Fisk to be as strong as possible. I'm removing issues from them. Yeah, it's like a remove, I don't know. And then resource heavy, because Fisk, so it's a buying card build, right? It's a cycling through cards as fast as possible through purchase, gaining a ton of resource. So you had mentioned wanting to see kind of like a resource heavy build. So it's all about gaining as much resource as possible so that I can keep cycling card so that Fisk becomes as strong as possible. And also a cool thing about Fisk is if I do the Sam, if I get that Sam card, I could duplicate Fisk and there's no disadvantage. So I could duplicate Fisk and then because on the left side that doesn't really, there's no advantage or disadvantage being left side because I'm not actually doing draw card, I'm doing buy card. We just have to like have units that will like stress managers that'll get rid of their stress. How about a trade offer? What do you have for me? Remove 1 burnout from the employee to the left. Yeah, I don't care as much about. Oh, I do need this guy though. It's kind of important. I don't care about research engineer, and I like senior backend dev, but it's not my favorite thing. HR ops is good. HR ops is really good. Investors in a box, I don't love, but I can get rid of it. Because we already have 2 investors. I'd rather upgrade them. Or upgrade investors in a box to get rid of 2 investors. Backend devs are important. Yeah, like in the real world, but in this case, I'm not so sure how much I need this. I do like the extra resource gain. But I might take this. HR Ops is really strong. Visit card shop. Now we go to burn. And we get rid of what? We get rid of 1 of the recruiters in a box for sure. And maybe even a second card. Investors in a box. Would I rather have investors in a box or just have the 2 investors? I want every turn, but I cycle through cards so well. I should just upgrade these. So let's get rid of investors in a box as well. Good. And then card shop. If you don't have any action cards in play, reset your project points to 0. Remove all burnout for this developer. I don't mind this guy. Layoff volunteers, though, more of them might be kind of crazy. Not the box. I don't need the boxes. Guys, I'll keep 1 box, okay? Just for you. Start of the turn, remove 1 burnout from this developer. HR wizard, generate employee card, become a copy target developer. Imposter syndrome Sam is nice. I think also. Take that. And then we carry him. I think that's good. I think that's pretty good. All right. Yes, I do. I think that's tech quiz. Oh no. All right. What does Wi-Fi stand for? Oh no. Wireless fiber, wireless fidelity, wired fidelity. Oh, fidelity. I have no idea. I think wireless fidelity is the way I'd go. Fiber. Fiber's not bad either. Fiber's not bad either. Fiber, fidelity. I'm not gonna look at chat just in case, but wireless fiber, wireless fidelity, wired fidelity. Wi-Fi. Oh no. They do say the word fiber a lot in this. I feel like what do they call that thing? There's like something that has fiber optic or whatever, fiber or something. I'm gonna look so dumb here. I'm taking it. I'm taking this one. It's the one I thought from the beginning. Yes. Okay. Thank you. Fidelity. I don't know. Yeah, I have no idea what fidelity has to do with because isn't fidelity? Infidelity is like cheating, so fidelity is like honesty, I guess, or loyalty. So wireless loyalty. Yeah, I wonder why fidelity is the word they use for that. It probably means something different in the tech world. Yeah, it's a little bit unusual. Okay, so card to upgrade, but I'm sure it makes sense. I don't know why. Imposter Syndrome Sam, lose 1 cost on that. What are you? Lose 1 cost on this. I'm not too worried about cost for it though. The ones I really care about are the layoff volunteers probably. 1 cost down on them and draw, or no, I guess draw 2 cards. The extra card draw is really nice. Nobody cares much. Well, extra card draw means that we can do more, more selling of cards, which is good. So I think this one's the right call. I'm studying network for 3 years. They never taught us what Wi-Fi stands for. Fair enough. Well, yeah, it's like it's more like a Jeopardy kind of question or something. Like here's like a, it's like trivia kind of, instead of being like, what does this mean in some like really deep in way, I guess. Project battle, like it's not like complex. It's like yeah, just. Okay, layoff volunteer. I'm gonna do this one, and then we should fire them. Gain me some points. We have stress manager there, but I'm not too worried about that. Fire them straight away. Dependency, no. I wish I had. Well, no, it's fine. We got about as good as we wanted there. HR ops. We could double investor. Yeah, I'll double investor because Monster Bug could really screw them over quick, but I think we double investor here. We do Monster Bug next. Then. Do we buy one? I could do a pay to win reroll of these. 7 cards remaining. I could sell things that I don't particularly want. Like, I know I don't want this. Eh. Sprint planning. Layoff volunteer. Yeah, this is good to go into the next one. We keep layoff volunteer for the next one. That seems fine. And then we can use that to get our Fisk. We'll get a bunch of extra resource here. We'll just let them mess each other up at the beginning. Okay. Investor, thank you very much. Okay. And also, oh, by the way, always fast forward opponents I have on because I always click it, so I just have it on. But I will also do fast mode, game play speed 2x, just to see what that looks like. But there are like options like that. Okay. Just FYI. Okay, put this in, fire you. We do Fisk here. We do Monster Bug to get rid of some of your units. What do you have? You also have Monster Bug, but only 1. That's okay. Then I'm going to do... I'll wait on Imposter Syndrome, Sam, because you're going to Monster Bug. I'd rather not have more things to worry about there. Let's see. Debugging. Recruiter. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Would I draw a card by having? I don't think that really ever matters. It's really only for the points that it seems like it makes a difference. So let's do. We'll take. Rockstar Recruiter. Honestly, I don't care. 3 points isn't really that worth it. We'll just bump up my current unit. 3 upgraded. Stress manager, knowledge. Get rid of this for now. Investor, good. Debugging. We'll play FLT. Yeah, this is good going to the next one, yeah. Only triggers when you play the card from hand. Right, yeah. They're optionally triggers if you steal them from the recruiter. Okay, you're taking my points a little, that's okay. Oh, you're also putting on a little extra pain though, which I don't love, but that's okay. HR ops, we need to do now. We'll put you, I'll just be here and take those, thank you very much. Sprint planning, draw 3 cards, I like that. And then recruiter in a box. We'll take this so we can really bump up our money next turn. What do you got going on? Investor, meme stock, okay. We'll do layoff here, fire you, and then I can't use them right now, so I'm just gonna go ahead and sell these. Buy. I could take yours. I do like that idea because that's a lot of points. Boom, boom. And then I can't buy any more though at this point, which is end turn. Will allow this person to die, take their points, and there you have it. Nice. Big advantage this time. This guy's kind of keeping up, but they have nobody on the board until now, but it's not much. Okay. You will also get its knowledge card on burnout. Oh, wow, okay. That's good for me. I like this one a lot. It's not enough to buy it, because it's, you know, I don't want to have it on all the time necessarily, but it's good. Let's do layoff volunteer, fire. What just went to discount? Discard point? Huh? Why did it show me that, I wonder? Okay, it was like, did something extreme happen? I feel like firing that's normal, right? Okay, now we get 2 more of you. Oh, it went in there because we drew it. Oh, no. Okay, that's a little risky. Gotcha. Do not want that. Wait. Take over target employee. I could steal something from you forevermore. Crunch. Anything here I want? Don't really want any of these, though. Gains 1 efficiency after any of the other employees gain burnout. Kind of strong. And it's upgraded. Okay, we'll put it there. It's like a project manager, kind of. All right, then I don't really want any of your stuff. Let's go with, we'll do monster bug to punch some of you down, and we'll sell some stuff. Grab card, layoff, volunteer. I'll hold on to that. We'll do dependency injection. That seems like a good idea to bump us up as much as we can. Then we can do, I'll hold on to this. I'll do stress manager actually, that's fine. Boom, add 1, take off 2. And HR ops. Become a copy of target builder. Wouldn't be the worst call. Sometime, maybe. Probably sell, buy, investor, great. Great. Steal enemy dev for 1 turn. So, the Rockstar recruiter steals for 1 turn, but the other developer, the other steal, like home office recruiters, takes them forever. Look at them all get executed. Oh my gosh. Okay. Steal enemy to burn it down. Yeah. It does do that though, which is pretty strong. Investor we'll put in, and then probably imposter. Take over if they don't have burnout to 1. Add 2 burnout to target employee. Oh, I want this guy. I'm gonna take this guy. Yeah. Mine now. But I do have to remove your burnout because you got a lot. If I want to really take advantage, which I can do. Rubber duck. Oh, I can't put it on you though. Why not? Oh, I can. Okay, it showed up in red, but I could. Okay. I'm okay with it. It works. Stress manager. Ooh, no way to get rid of a unit without firing them though. That's okay. I'll get rid of you, right? Yeah. Then we can play layoff volunteer. We can refresh our fire and kill them off. And then recruiter in a box could do, sure. I like recruiter in a box more than I thought I would because it gives 3 things to sell. Straight away we have really good cycling. It all kind of works. When attached, add 3 burnout to developer. This doesn't help me in this build at all. I do like monster bug as well. You can, looks like it's UI bug. Gotcha, yeah. It's all good, you know. Add 1 burnout, but yeah, good things to find. 1 burnout to all your devs, gain 2 project points for each. I think add 1 burnout to all opponent employees, have 2 monster bugs. Might be strong. Our 1 is, we're cycling through really well actually. I don't know if I need that. Gains 1 efficiency after an opponent employee gains burnout during your turn. Whoa. Okay. Bug does hurt everybody really bad. So this might not be the worst call. 3 costs though. I think we want to focus on Fisk. I like this guy though. We have 1 bug, 2 to each. It could be as much. I could get like 10 in a turn from this with bug. I'll take it. You know what? I'll take it. I kind of think that's strong. When attached, adds 1 burnout. Big Bug Bounty Hunter is a nice combo with Monster Bug. Yeah. Do I hear burnout scaling? Yeah. When attached, adds 1 burnout to this developer, gains 3 burnout after getting played. Okay, reroll. Dropped 3 employee cards from discard pile. What was it? Burnout scaling. It was more so. It was more so like you can use Monster Bug to burn out all enemy employees all at once with 2, and then that can do. It's not exactly scaling. It's more just that every turn this guy can kind of get bumped, or it can be like a passive just have on my board to let enemies get racked with Monster Bug. Play cards. Draw is not the same as buy, so there's not really much point in this, I feel like. Just skip here. And then module. After you redraw your hand, gain 1 resource. Burnout and project point gained by crunching are doubled. No. Each second time you attach a knowledge card to employee, gain 1 good company. I might like stakeholder stake because I'm not using my money as much as I normally would, and it might come in major handy. 1 resource. Yeah, but it's not that important to me. Start of each turn, gain 1 additional resource, but you can't fire employees. Nope. You have at least 4 copies of its same employee. Ah, dang. Well, we could take good company coin, I guess. Not this one, but 4 copies. Like the is there anything I would want 4 copies of? Layoff volunteer potentially is the only option. Yeah. Unfortunately, not likely. Yeah, you know what? I should always take layoff in future if I play this type of run. I would take more layoff people. See in the video. Amazing build idea and in-game idea, but I won't tell you because it's too good. Gotcha. All right, fair enough. Good luck on it. All right, to-do list. Let's burn. Burn. Recruiter in a box. It's gonna get less and less useful to me, but it has found more uses than I thought it would. Maybe I should hold on to it. Investors are pretty good. Growth Lead Fisk, HR Ops, Bug Bounty Hunter. Is there anything? Debugging I never use. It's very unlikely I will use it. Yeah, because you kill everyone around you anyway, Mr. Fisk here. So let's remove that. And then sprint planning. Could remove 1 of these. We'll draw 3 cards because we have. We have layoff volunteers. They do pretty good. I should have gotten another one. All right, but we'll get rid of 1 of you. Back. Could upgrade a card. What would I upgrade if I could? Would have 2 upgrade layoff volunteers. He kills the person with debugging, so you can debug Fisk again. Oh, true. Yeah, I suppose that's true. Yeah, that's a good point. Okay, good point. Stress manager. Song is cool, but repetitive. Fair enough. Debugging. Should get an intern. Continuous integration. Could take. I will take. It's pretty cheap. After you sell a card, gain 1 burnout and draw a card. This card is crazy. This card is crazy. Because if you... I sell so many cards. But also, you're only going to have, what, 4 uses at most? Unless I can remove some from you. So maybe not. We'll burn to each opponent on the right. Knowledge. Ooh, bugging. Did I ever get bugging? I kind of like bugging. When attached, though. It's just a one-time. It's a one-time, but if I put it on the guy next to him, yeah, we're saying gain 1 efficiency after an opponent employee gains burnout during your turn. I can put it on the guy to the right of him just over and over again, but it is a 2 cost. That's kind of expensive. A 1 cost for 2 burnout. Okay. I do have to upgrade it for it to be as good as I want, though, huh? What can I... Anything good here? Don't care about these. This is kind of good. Buy a card, add 1 efficiency to the depth of your right. You're gonna die so fast. That's not gonna work. Interesting, though. Attach, generate an action card. Yeah, okay. I'm good. Anything else that we need? Burn card. Do we want to burn 1 more card? Where are we at? We're at 5 out of 5. We probably should spend our money a little bit. I'll do a reroll. We have 1 free reroll. 1 burnout from our activate target action card. This might be good. 2 cost. 2 cost. 2 cost. Remove 1 burnout or activate. We probably would just activate. And we could use that to activate Investor, Monster Bug, Recruitment. No. Draw 3 cards, maybe. Okay. Play this for 2. Activate Investor, giving us 2 back. What benefit is there then to that? There's like no benefit to that. Play this for 2. Activate Sprint Planning, which maybe I should have gotten rid of Investor instead of Sprint Planning. Dang it. Okay, we'll just take what we have. I don't see a good option there. All those options seem kind of iffy. Random meeting. We got a lot of cash. Probably just gonna pay for this. Let's see. Generate and upgrade a developer card. Need someone to build a new website on budget. You probably know the right person. Upgrade a developer card. Gain 2 efficiency for each burnout removed from this employee. Potato is nice, but we're not built for it. Gain 1 efficiency for each burnout removed from this employee. Okay. No thanks. That's fine. We got cash. We got big cash. Bug sprint. Here we go. Here we go. We're designed for this. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this. Wait. So you gain each reward if you reach the threshold. You have 6 turns. So can I get all 3, or is it just you get the module if you have 128 or more? I forget from the last one. Layoff volunteer we'll put in and fire. Thank you. Okay. Bug hunter. Opponent's employee gains burnout your turn. They don't have employees, so this guy's not useful here, unfortunately. Recruiter in a box. My recruiters are not useful here, but I can sell them. Sprint planning, draw 3 cards. Okay. Sell. You get all 3 if you have enough points. Nice. Okay. We have limited time to get Fisk up to where we want them, but we can do this. Don't need this guy. We'll play Fisk to start. Right, because they can't actually hurt him yet. We could sell this and then play you if we want. Is there any... Because it'll let me draw 1 extra. Okay. Investors, okay. Action, nice. We don't need Monster Bug. Okay, gain 2 resources. You're gonna put 1 onto me, and I've got Monster Bug Shield, so we're fine. I'm going to remove this. We'll add 3 more to you. An investor. We can fire you. I can stress manage you. And end turn. Okay. How many do you have? You have space for 1 more. Okay. So I'm gonna... I need to remove... Whenever you get to 2, I always need to remove right away, basically. We should be buying... Let's see, we have 9 points. When attached, add 1 more... We don't need this. I have 10. Could play this, gives me 3 next turn. Or I could just sell it. Let's buy. Layoff. Fire. I kind of feel like selling is the right call here. Okay. We need to remove... We might have a better way to here. Draw 3 cards, that's good. 4 cost, dang. So what I want to do here is sell... We want to use HR Ops on you, and then use this on you. So we do HR Ops to steal these 2. And then we can sell those 2 and then use integration. Unfortunate. Wait. Could play this. Use the pizza, actually. Fire. Fire you. Good. Investor. 2 resources. Good. Good. It's up to 16. Alright. Okay, good stuff. Alright. Investor. We can get rid of these. What are we at? 4 turns in, we have 25 points. Get rid of this, get rid of you. Investor. Fire. Add 1, remove 2. Then we get... Yeah, that works. Then you can only put 1 onto me, right? Yeah. So stress manage onto you. Good. Buy. Sell. Buy. Imposter. Put you in... Yeah. Duplicate. Buy. Sell. Buy. Sell. Buy. Good. I forget who that even was. I don't remember who that was. What did I have there? Stress manager, that's fine. Okay. Sell, buy. Draw 3 cards. We do want this if we can. We probably can. Sell. If I sell this one, draw 3 cards. Investor gives 2 resources. I think it's decent odds. Okay. 69. Alright. Good. Bugging, we don't need that. Good. Lay a volunteer, fire. We're gonna need, okay. Double investor is fine here. Sell, buy, sell. Can't use this, gosh dang it. Buy. HR ops, thank you. HR ops on you. Lay off volunteer. Fire button. Fire you. Sell, buy, sell. Okay, so no luck on this guy, because if I add 1 to you, they pop. It's unfortunate. Yeah, I probably should have upgraded Fisk, maybe, but... Okay. Maybe I'll get... Oh, wait, do I get an upgrade here? I should probably upgrade Fisk, because if they have 2, it makes them so much stronger for this. But it's only for these specific battles. I feel like Fisk is strong enough as it is, and there's probably better upgrades for normal battles. Fire this card, draw 2. Stress manager isn't going to work here. So, okay, I think we just end the turn. No, I'll get rid of this stress manager and buy a card. 31 and 31. Now here's where it's tough. Do I sell 2 of these? I think I do. And buy just to get as much out of this as possible. Could even sell both of these guys. What do we got? Do we have sprint planning? No, 2 investors. Tough. We have a very small deck though. We probably can get there. Sell both, buy card, and turn. 135. Is that it? I think that's it. Nice. Okay. Can I make a video that has company name and title as a joke? Company name. All 3 if you have enough points in the end. Right. Yeah. So we should be in a good spot. I'll do. I think we've won here, right? I'll just spend all this. That's fine. Sell this and buy, sell, there you go. Not quite. That's fine. Whatever. End turn. There you go. That should be way more than enough. Right? Yes. 128 gold. Card upgrade. Much as I'd like to do Fisk here, because I do think that the 2 on this is kind of worth it, and the 3 cost is nice for early, I don't actually know that there's much advantage there compared to sprint planning, potentially, investor, imposter. These are all fine ideas. HR ops, not much use in that, I don't think. Anything else here that I really like? If we upgrade you, you could have opponent employee gains burnout during your turn. I might even upgrade Big Bounty Hunter. Or Bug Bounty Hunter, I should say. Keep them alive a lot longer. I feel this is fine. Turn. Yeah. Probably. as just like a passive background character. I think it's okay. Module, paid sick leave. At the start of each turn, gain 1 good company bonus. That's kind of strong. You can see the top card of your deck by hovering over the card by select area. At the start of each turn, gain 1 additional resource. No, I probably should take this one. Good company bonus. For the long plays. Probably stronger. Nice. That'll be, I created, oh, Blizzard Company in this. Yeah, no, you're fine to use company names, yeah, for sure, and titles, it doesn't matter. Created a Blizzard Company in this new dev tech game. Yeah, probably could do that. That'd be funny. That'd be funny, yeah, sure. Bring it on. Let's do this. All right. Okay, so layoff volunteer we'll go with. Fire you straight away. We can sell our bugs. Maybe I shouldn't have sold bug, actually. I'm remembering I don't need... Well, it's okay. We can get it later. Get rid of bugging. Actually... Maybe not. Growth Fisk. Sell recruiter. Sell... We'll get this later. We don't need it yet. Add bugging. And end turn. So now whenever they place units, one of them will be a little bit hurt. Oh boy. Ow. That was a bit insane. Layoff volunteer. Let's see. Resources, card draw. I need... Oh, that's not gonna help. Dang it. Okay, let's... Sell... We can't get Fisk later. Oh. It's now or never. I think it is now or never. This is bad. Dang it. I don't know if we... I'm not going to be able to afford him even if I get him now. HR Ops, 2 costs. There's just no way. Dang it. Oh, that's real bad for me. Okay. We have to go with bug. We have to go with bug-based fights. That's rough. Could still work. But yeah, we're gonna need a better solution to that, or be more careful. Okay, big monster hunter. Or bug monster hunter. Monster bug. When attached, add +1 burnout to their right. We'll go all in on you. Draw a card. And end turn. Okay. 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 Yikes. That hurt me. Oh boy. Alright. Layoff volunteer, fire. Refresh fire. Layoff volunteer, fire. HR Ops. Pull to you. Recruit, can't do. Stress manager. 1 burnout to target employee, then remove 2 burnout. No, we'll just do this. So we're going all in on this guy instead. Bye. I'll use this. Maybe it wasn't good to use that because it's going to be a long play here, but we'll see. Yeah, they're going to really try to take advantage of my units here. Recruit in a box. Okay, we can sell a bunch of junk. Actually, I could have maybe taken... Oh well. Become a copy of target developer. Could make a copy of you. Add 1 burnout. We'll do this, at least do this first. And then... Copy. Draw 3 cards. Sell. Buy. End. Alright. Oh, do you get all their cards too? Ooh. What if you die? Do I get to keep those cards? I do. That's interesting. That is interesting. Okay. HR Ops on you. Put more nonsense on you. Just make you completely insane. And then we get Sam. We could just have infinite. Oh my goodness. Okay, interesting. Do I have? Let's. Yes. Okay. Sell the junk. You have 11 there. I could take, but I don't think I want to. The left opponent has no action cards. True. Yeah, I could take, but I honestly I don't know if I want to. And if your other employees gain burnout, I mean, it would be nice to have this one maybe, but. Investor, okay, layoff volunteer again, I could do, true. fire. Lay off volunteer. Take replays that has no burnout. We don't have that. Sell this one. We can double up on invest. No, monster bug here is what we need. Then we can do both of these if I want. I'm gonna just get more junk. Don't need. Hold on to this guy maybe. For one investor. Rockstar recruiter. Take you for one maybe. Actually, yeah, because then I can remove that guy. You can activate monster bug with pizza. Pizza. Activate monster bug. Get extra true. Could activate monster bug here. That pops them, gives me a bunch of bonus. One for each that it kills. Oh, with a pizza. Oh, you're right. Okay, yeah, I think I will do that. That's a good call. Pop some of them down, and then I'll finish off by taking this guy, which will then finish them off really easily. Investor, we'll just throw that in then, and then end turn. Okay, that works. Appreciate it. Bug. Oh, and I can have multiple bug bounty hunters. Okay, true. Lay off volunteer. Bug bounty hunter over here. I'm going to focus on this one predominantly, but honestly, Sam would be stronger. Did I get rid of Sam entirely? I didn't. So, when's Sam coming in? The next card, right? Okay. Yeah, you know what? I don't really need this second one. Recruiter, don't need this. Sam is now the copy. Oh! Oh, okay. Permanently changes. Okay, fair enough. Yeah, Sam is super broken to put on when it's not the copy, because you just copy these cards once. It's only once, but still, it's pretty strong. Okay, draw 3 card. We'll do some boost there. End turn. Let's see, is this expert planning? Ow, don't kill me. Why? Alright, I appreciate it. Your kindness. Recruiter box. Rockstar recruiter. We'll just take this guy. Nice. Nice. Okay, that went pretty well. And I feel like Bug Bounty Hunter, yeah, it might be... I don't want multiple of them, but... Reactive programming plus 5 knowledge. Add 1 burnout to adjacent enemies. What is the project point generation called? Efficiency, yeah. Add 1 burnout. I might reroll here. Reactive programming is not bad. 4 and 6. Can get kind of crazy. Actually, because Sam can duplicate knowledge cards, that could be pretty interesting. I don't know. Yeah, okay, we'll take it. Remove action card, no. No, I'm good. Okay. You crushed him, nice. So now we're on to the final. On hard difficulty, you know, this went better than I thought it would. Trade offer. I wouldn't mind getting rid of recruiters in the box. My bug build is kind of strong. Is it too loud? I can... Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's a little bit low now, but like here. Oh no, is it not? Okay, good. I wasn't sure if it was too loud. I didn't want to destroy your eardrums. Okay. All right, let's go with... Oh, wait. Why did audio get... Okay, gosh dang it. That's why. Okay, if you change audio in OBS, it like... If you like do the slider, it removes the percentage change in the... Whatever, it doesn't matter. Okay, let's go maybe with this one, because I do really... I was surprised by how strong the bug option there was. I could do both, though. I don't know if I want to remove that, but maybe. Pressure Fire Employee button, kind of strong. Kind of strong for 2 cost. And an upgrade... I don't want an upgrade version of you, though. Music is just from Free Music Library. Maybe I'll change. It sounds nice. If you don't control any HR, draw a card. Don't really care about any of these. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay. Fair enough. Burn cards. We get rid of what? Stress Manager, Rockstar Recruiter. Sprint Planning is actually good, I think. Investor is maybe the most likely to get rid of, so because it's just too many different things, and usually Investor I don't want, I feel like. Well, but it feels like I always have it as a backup, like I can use it. Dependency Injection. HR Ops. These are all good. Recruiter in a Box is the only one. It's a 1 cost, 3 item gain. I feel like I would rather just draw in other ways, and it's only the one time that it gives me the advantage. It is strong, but maybe not in the long term. Okay. That's fine. We also have a decent amount of cash. Is it time to upgrade? I could upgrade. We already have an upgraded Bounty Hunter. Is it time to upgrade Fisk? Sam. Card, unstable binary text. When I gain burnout, I gain 1 more and double my efficiency. Double? Oh, I don't know what that. That's way too much because it'd be very. You would just. There's a lot of cards that can give you burnout, so you could very quickly take advantage of that. I think too much. 4 and 6 here might be a good call. Reactive programming. It doesn't matter what you start with. You could start with -10 and it'd still be worth it. Well, no. You'd have to start with, I guess you'd have to start with -1 at the most, but high cost maybe. High cost, yeah. I don't know if there's a way that you could do that. It's an interesting idea. The double just doesn't work unless there's some huge other disadvantage to pair with it. But even then, it'd be tough. 1 card, 2 resources, gain 3 resources on these. I don't think we need an upgrade here. But maybe a reroll. Coffee machine? -1 shield. But, actually, that's kind of interesting. If you only had 2 slots you could put them into, so within a game, you would have to be played very cautiously. The thing is, still, the double is too much, I think. But, like, if you only had 1 burnout slot, no, it wouldn't work. It would make sense. 2. If you had 2 burnout slots, it's interesting. Also not bad. Yeah, true. I could hoard. Use some cash in the boss. Yeah, true. But we would still be able to hoard a decent chunk, I feel like. Yeah, you know, if there's nothing I'm so passionate about, coffee machine is a maybe. Because then it'd be another option for Fisk. But I feel like it's bad to rely on coffee machine in a lot of situations because enemies can just punch you instead. So we'll carry on. All right. Oh yeah, and I'm not even gonna get a final set of selections. Okay. You are the expensive designer one. I feel good about you. I feel pretty good about Potato King here, and Eton Nask. Eton Nask. Mr. Nask loves to utilize a combination of Shaden Freud's, Crunch Time, and Project Managers. This is. Oh. Yeah, this guy has really bad scaling because Project Manager doesn't scale. I know that much. It just kind of slowly gains. So there's a lot of limit to that, I feel like. Potato King has the best scaling of them. So probably get rid of them. It's still not that good. Probably get rid of you. Milan Isk. Yeah. Sell. Alright. I think, or proceed. I feel like that's good. I feel that's good. Get rid of that guy. Not copyright. I think it's just, well, the joke is clear regardless, I feel like, so I don't know if it mattered how close it was. All right, there we go. Now we go, yes, volunteer, sell. We have Fisk we could do. Sprint planning for 3 card draw is really good too, though. What do I want to get rid of? Maybe this one because it's high cost. Could go with Fisk here. And then Investor and draw a card if possible. Get rid of you. Odds of getting more layoff volunteer really good. Yeah, music does feel loud or a little, might go a little bit down. Alright. Layoff volunteer, we might keep on that. I think I should go Investor. Or no, you know what, I'll do sprint planning instead. We'll get rid of layoff volunteer. We'll do sprint planning. And then we'll do, oh, and Investor, sure, why not? And then HR Ops will hold on to and end our turn. I like the idea of holding on to this just in case things go very south very fast, which they might here. OBS slider resets percentage. So the way that I go about it with OBS, I guess I'll say, is with audio, is I have this panel that I adjust to 300%. But if you change, if you scroll the slider within OBS, this gets reset to 100%, even if it's like back to maxed out. That's the idea. So that's why my audio got messed up previously. Anyway, not super interesting, but potentially interesting. What slider? I'll get into it once we get into the Twitter portion, or Twitch portion. I'll talk more about it. But okay, let's see. Take over target employee for 1 turn. Can't be fired. Deep or bugging. I like bugging here. I think we take that. Actually, I'd rather hold out for this to be on the correct character. I think bugging is better there. Monster bug's okay now, but and HR. We'll do HR here. Then we'll buy card. Rush Recruiter will sell. Buy a card to increase you a little bit. That's fine. Copies of this employee spawn opponent's board. Yikes. Okay. Extra employee now. Yeah, that's interesting. I like that. Never remembered my percentage figured. Alright, let's see. I want to copy somebody, but I don't want it to be you. I want it to be the bug guy. Investor, sure. And then I'll just end turn. I feel safe there. That's fine. Source manager. Honestly, this overactive developer is not bad. Just give me a little bit of boost. Why not? We're in the long con in this one, so we're not going to worry too much about them getting ahead, especially with that happening as well. Although I wish it would have happened with Bug Hunter already active, but that's okay. So we're going bugging onto you. Good. And then now they're all gone, and you gain a little bit. Come up to copy developer, stress manager. I'll do stress manager here to remove your stress. And then we should be able to end turn. I would like to fire somebody. Let's fire stress manager here. Give me a little bit of cash. And then we can buy a card. And end turn. That feels good. For 6 points. Yeah, but we were going up to 256, so I'm not so worried about it. End turn. Okay. Okay. That's fine. 55. Alright, lay off volunteer, fire. Sprint planning is good here. Sprint planning. We'll do... Let's just buy some cards, though. We can bump you up. We can hold off on upgrading this. What's up? I could steal one from them, but I don't really need to. Right enemy goes first. Oh, that's interesting. I never noticed that. Yeah. Alright, buy this one. Investor, thank you very much. And then I'm going to sell, buy another investor card. That's fine. I don't think we want to use this just yet, so let's sell a couple and then end our turn. Fighting past and future and present. Yeah. I think it's just the order, you know, but yeah. Or no. No, I think it goes left and then right. Okay. Unless maybe it switches. I'm not sure. I didn't see. But HR Ops, we'll put you here to remove that. And then we could do Stress Manager on you. Don't hate that idea. Stress Manager on you. Layoff Volunteer. Pop them down. Okay. Investor. I'll do Monster Bug. Sell. That's 14 points. But no, we'll pop you down anyway. Let's see. Continuous Knowledge. Onto you, probably. 4 cost. I really should just be buying, though, as long as Fisk is around. Focus more on that. Imposter Syndrome, Sam. Layoff Volunteer again there. Let's... Okay. Fire button. Layoff Volunteer. Fire. Fire button. Sprint planning for the 3 card draw is probably for the best. Layoff Volunteer. Fire. We have HR Ops as an option. Let's do... Dependency Injection, maybe. We want to put everything onto this character, then duplicate them with Imposter. When we can. Don't really... I think, honestly, Investors are probably generally my worst choice. I'll hold off on this as well. Sell that. Hold on to HR Ops. We're not going to use Imposter Sam yet, probably, and we'll sell Investor as well. That's fine. And buy, sell, buy, up that guy as much as possible, end turn. May consider a pay-to-win takeover. Option is you have a lot of money anyway. True. Could do. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, they're active. Oh, okay, wow. Spooky, but I think we'll be okay. But this is, yeah, takeover option, takeover employee. True. Might do that, but I have to remove, I have to HR ops you, I guess. That's fine. I'll take over you. And then I'll HR ops, there you go. And then layoff, fire. Okay. Good. Sell. Integrations. I could probably sell these because I want to do reactive programming. I could sell you for one, and we can't quite do imposter syndrome, but that's okay. Actually, let's do this. Layoff. Monster bug. Yeah, for next turn, that could be good for me. Just hurt them as soon as they get their stuff back. They'll see what I'm doing though, right? So maybe not. Do this one. Sell, and then imposter. Do you have everything? What else do we have? HR ops. Yeah, okay, good. So sell, imposter, and take over. Boom. Wait. Might be in trouble here. Don't attack me, please. Alright. That's okay. Look at all these cards we got. Oh my gosh. Okay. Just have to not have a problem here. Anything I can do with this? Activate, draw... Wait, hold on. We have stake, or no? Start drinking good company points. No, we don't have stake, right? Refresh your fire employee button. That's nice. Take over and play, gain one resource. After take over and play, gain one resource. Oh, that's interesting. True. That's fine. End turn. Dangerous territory, but no one should be attacking right now. I spoke too soon. I can put it all in one character, though. Who cares? Hustle action card are always marked with red color. Yeah, right. Right. True. Makes sense. How do you have so much efficiency? So, I stole one of their characters that they put a bunch of cards into, and then this guy, every time I buy a card, is getting more efficiency, and then this guy, every time I hit enemies or kill enemies with bugs of any kind, they also gain efficiency. Which I think I don't know if their bug is during my turn when attached. Okay, fair enough. That's fine. Mostly just gives me knowledge. That's alright. Let's see. Reactive. So we can pull this stuff onto you, but we do need to ops you. Maybe sell this one. No, I should sell... we have too much stuff right now. Sell... I could bugging onto you. That's fine. And then I need HR ops to cleanse you, but this guy's also got some problems. Investor. I could lay off volunteer. Let's do that. How do you buy card in run battle? Oh, you click the card here to buy card. Monster bug. HR ops. You. Gosh, you're getting so strong. Oh, after any of the other employees gain burnout, so we're scaling like everything like wild right now. Okay. Buy card. Oh crap, this guy's gonna die. This guy's gonna die to all this though. I guess it's okay. Continuous integration, because we're gonna try to pump this guy more than anything. Investors, layoff volunteers. Sell. I guess this one for now. So we can do layoff volunteer again. Fresh fire. Layoff volunteer fire. Sell. Although honestly, I don't know if okay. How much do I want Fisk at this point? It's only one each time I buy. They're not going to keep up with this, so... You know... I'm going to fire Fisk. Too risky. Reactive. Investor. They have no aggressive, but they certainly could kill here. Good. So we'll HR ops you as well. Enter. If you activate the bug, you'll probably win. Yeah. Yeah, true. We got it either way, though, I think. At this point, you know? 38 and 47, and it's crazy. Oh my goodness. Okay. 49. Let's see, it'd be up to 330. Let's just, you know, let's just see how far we can push it. Or I don't care about this. Sprint planning to draw 3 cards. I don't need that. None of these are going to matter. Injection. Bug bounty hunter. Can't really use that here. Layoff volunteer. Refresh fire. Stress manager. Add burnout and then remove. That's good for me. Because it enhances you, right? Oh, any other. True. My bad. Okay. What else we got? Investors. It is what it is. Oh, actually, Rockstar Recruiter. Kill this, Rockstar Recruiter to take the 15. And... don't really care about HRing anybody here. Monster Bug. What'd that do for me, really? That's about as much as you got. We have... yeah, boom. Boom. 348. Alright, company too powerful, stole from competitive company, and became stronger. Congrats on your second win. Hey, I appreciate it. Booster packs. We got 3 packs here. Okay. Educated intern. Generated knowledge card. Add 3 random investors. We got investors in a box. We got full stack ninja. Copy cards of knowledge cards adjacent. Actually, this would be kind of crazy with what I was just had going there. Remove 2 burnout from adjacent employees and 2 burnout to the developer. Okay. Other ones. Boom, 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 boom. What do we got? Node Stalker, HR Ops, that's a good card. DevOps Ninja, SAM, and Senior Dev. So all of these, most of these, all of these in this case are level 1, but still, it's a good set of options. HR Wizard, Nice HR Lady, Spaghetti Code, Burnout Developer Database. Okay. Still, we got enough now that if we wanted to. New content unlocked, Starter Module Action Man. May activate X+1 action cards in play per turn. If you activate an opponent's action card, draw it. How many employees you fired this turn? Okay. Ooh. Okay, so fire a bunch of employees and gain a bunch of action card options. Activate in play per turn. Activate by clicking on it. Oh, okay. Ooh. But then it removes itself, right? So that's nice though, right? Because we have the option, like it removes the need for a character that can activate cards for me. If I just have firing. Actually, that's kind of crazy. That's kind of strong. Starter deck. Draft your custom 14 deck card deck. Starter deck, gotcha. Intern magic. Okay, we unlocked a bunch of new stuff. Okay. Well, very good stuff. Very good stuff. So this has been IT Startup Tech Fodder. If you guys want to see more games in this kind of genre and also want to support the dev, you wishlist the game, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff here. And hope you guys did enjoy it. I really like this one. I might take another look at some point. We'll see. Or if it gets updated over time. I know the dev has said they're planning on continuing updates for the next 6 months or so. So there's still more to see if you guys do want to play it and want to see it adjusted in some way. But all right, very much enjoyed having you around. If you're on Twitch, stick around. We'll chat a little bit more as we go along. If you're on YouTube, thanks so much for going around and see you in the next one. Appreciate you coming around, Dev, very much. And I'll see you guys later. Bye now. Later on. See ya. See you next time. Bye. Boom. Boom, boom.